Gang, gang. What's happening, crew? What up, Moon Gang? Moon Gang, we in the building, bye. We in the building. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Martin Gatus, what's happening, brother? What's up, brother? Gatus. Martin Gatus. What it do, Dad? Let's get after the stonks. We gonna get some stonks going. SOS is SOS right now, baby. I was gonna make a video today on SOS. Alright, guys. First of all, smash that like button before we get started. And feel free to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Welcome, guys. It's gonna be a good time tonight. We're gonna bang out some quick technical analyses with the top stonks on Wall Street, baby. Also, if you're interested in joining our private Discord group, check out the Patreon link at the top of the live chat, guys. Smash that like button. Let's cover some stones. Max Mustard, man. Can you do another Friday stream? Yeah, man. Let me think here. What's going on this Friday? You mean like in the morning? Or at night? I can definitely do it at night. The morning, I can do it every other week because I have Fridays off. Every other Friday off. Ed, what's up, man? Top stop about to put, bro. Yo, SOS is scalped a good 20%. I told you, guys. I told you this thing was cooking. Hopefully you paid attention to the top stonks video yesterday, brother. Hey, bro. NIO just put out their 100,000 car. That's absolutely insane. Did it in 2 years and 10 months. It took Tesla about 4 years. Yeah, that's what I've been telling people, Jim, Sherrod. Like, Tesla is... NIO proportionally to Tesla has been doing a lot more, okay? But, luckily for them, they have something to benchmark. Whereas Tesla, they were just gunslinging, right? They had nothing to go off of. They were EVs. They couldn't really do a lot, with like GM and stuff. Their EVs were shitty. They were all hybrid. Crystal 313, hey, what's happening, sister? Morning, like when you trade, show us what you do. Oh, okay, yeah. I'd love to. Let's try next Friday. SOS put, it's time for a pullback. Let's take a look. We on SOS right now, man. Let's go to the 4 hour. Alright. It is bound for a pullback, but I talked about in yesterday's video. If it breaks, and you can see, guys, the slope's real. Okay? It rejected hard off that slope. I talked about yesterday. If we break that slope, guys. Okay? This doesn't mean it still can't happen. If it breaks that slope, this thing is running. Boy, this thing is cooking. It's cooking to $8. If it breaks $8, oh boy, you better load up on these hashtags because it's going to make you some high money. Now, top stock's about to put. When did you buy the put? And I'm not trying to discourage you because technically speaking, it's looking bearish. But the thing is, I don't know if it's done. Who knows? Volume is 4x. I think also Reddit is catching steam on this. I'm probably going to load in on this bad boy too, man. Let's go, baby. I don't give a fuck. I'm a savage. How does SOS look? Damn, I should have made an SOS video today, guys. I was thinking about it. I was going to give you guys a due diligence video and then like a recent news and then a technical analysis all on SOS because I think SOS is still technically sound, but you did see rejection today off that slope that we called out yesterday. So the slope is significant, right? Clearly it's showing us that. This is the 4 hour chart, guys. Ticker symbols SOS. Welcome to the video. Smash that like button, please. Smash that like, baby. That's all I need from you. I need it from you. You hear me? Need. But yeah, SOS is looking pretty damn bullish, and I try not to doubt Reddit in that community. Okay, and if these guys are as savage as they have been, we going to 16, baby. Moon gang, gang, moon. I like SOS. Yeah. What it do? Slam that like for my mans. Ian Zhang. I can't get the first name. I can't. Do not take offense, please. My name's unique too. I don't even know if yours is unique. Maybe it's unique somewhere else. but not in the United States of America. I wasn't sure about PSFE, but decided to buy 20 shares tomorrow. I figured it'll start going up in the next coming months. Sergi, welcome. Ed, welcome. Exile, welcome. Top Stock, Max, Crystal, Jim, Martin Gatus, smash that like. What y'all looking at, man? PSFE. Let's take a look, man. You decided to buy 20 shares tomorrow. You figure it'll start going up in the coming months. Actually, it's looking kind of bullish right now. You might have asked for this stock before because I have done technical analysis on it. Let's go to the. It's so new. Right now I'm on the 4 hour. I'm already seeing a slope potentially. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, I like that, man. Looks good. I mean, it is. You know, the thing about these stocks is it's so difficult when a stock's new because it's hard to make an interpretation on direction. So, for an example, if I looked at a stock that's been, I don't know, maybe like SOS, for example, I suppose. What I could do is I could easily go to like the max and I could look at historical data and be like, hey, you know, how have we been moving overall? Because sometimes, you know, the grass isn't always greener, right? If I just look at the 4 hour, right, it says in the last 180 days, SOS has been net overall appreciating. Okay, based on my 180-day moving average here, this green line. I go to the big picture, it hasn't really done shit. It's got nothing but down recently, okay, in the grand scheme of things. So my point is, with data that you can refer back to, it is very helpful, guys. Smash that like button. 4 hour, let's go, baby. Let's go to 1 hour real quick. I like the slope, okay. I still think these levels are holding. Sorry about that. Don't get a seizure. So yeah. Right, let's go to the 15. Maybe we'll get a few more candle stonks in there. Yeah, slope's looking gorgeous. Looking gorgeous. If we break that slope, right, I drew this on the 4 hour. That's why it's somewhat offset. Either way, right, because that candle I highlighted on the 4 hour is all encapsulated within this movement, right? It's a different aggregation period, so there's actually 4 times the amount of candles on the 15 versus the 1 hour. Boom. Yeah, I think it's looking bullish. It's rejecting off, or it's bouncing off that 1417. I think the next stop or potential testing point is about that slope, somewhere in this region. If we break this region, moon gang. If we break 14, I'm not fucking leaving. So it's looking good. It's looking good, man. But yeah, Ed, I would wait a little bit. Let's see what happens. Maybe expect a rejection, more interim, just because it's been so bullish after hours today. And then buy the pullback there. If not, I mean, honestly, it's actually, this is probably about what I would buy typically, because it's showing signs of confirmation. It's crossing over my EMA line here, so not a bad play. Let's watch it pre-market. It might be a little parabolic. Sergi, Nano Dimensions finally got some news. A new president. I saw Sergi. I'm personally invested in Nano Dimensions, guys. Smash that like button before I smash my face. Nano Dimensions, ticker symbol NNDM is what we own tonight, baby. We own it. We own it, baby. Hit that like button. Let me holler at some fools real quick, man. Smoking Dabadoo 420 G-Nog. I haven't seen you in a while, Smoking Dabadoo. Good to see you back, man. Cash Monies. Nano Dimensions got a new president, and it tanked with the market as usual. Fuck my life. It's not too bad if a company tanks with the market. That just implies that it is worthy. Right? So, and it's not that bad, honestly. It's a healthy thing. Smash that like, brother. Stock G. He's in the house. Check out his channel, guys. He's a fellow upcoming YouTuber. He's been with the gang since, he's been with the Moon Gang since, I think, what, 1K subs. Now he's got over 1K subs himself. Go check him out, doggy. Stock G, welcome, brother. Smoker. Smoking, which one you need, man? You need Mar or you need G9, man? Choose, man. Let's go to the moon. Timeout with Ethan. Kevin Rome, welcome as usual. Ed, Stock G. Everybody smash that like button, baby. Nano Dimensions. We're on Nano Dimensions right now, okay? And like most stocks in this sector, let me clear this up, man. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Like most stocks in this sector, guys, we're seeing that slope, okay? It's just, it's an interpretation. that these stocks, when they recover, they're going to recover hard and they're going to recover in sequence, more than likely. I think we're still above the slope, right? You can argue there's one more interim right here, or you can come in even crazier with it, right? You can draw slopes on any time frame, and you can see how they're applicable, right? It just shows every time you break out of a resistance, a sloping resistance, you break out nice. With that being said, I think Nano Dimensions is still below that. But you know, that doesn't necessarily, it's not bad. It doesn't mean it can't appreciate more interim either. I'm just saying I almost prefer a slope, because when we do hit it, we're gonna move nice more than likely. Current floor I'm seeing more interim is 765. Right now I'm on the 1 hour chart, guys. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour real quick. Right, and let's validate that floor at 765. Let's extend it to the left, see how much more touches we got. Boom, 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 boom. Gang. And then if I extend this to the left, boom! That is a nice support, right? Sorry. Sloping resistance. It's looking nice, guys. It's looking really nice. And actually, I did not see this area of confluence right here. So this thing can pop in a minute, baby. Let's go. We haven't confluence, right? An intersection between our current floor at 765, which is a pretty strong support level, and then we have the culmination again of that sloping resistance line. This thing's looking juicy, baby. I like it. Let's go, baby. I'm in Nano Dimensions. I'm a savage. Ed, y'all having a combo. G-Nog, please. Let's take a look at G-Nog, Smoking Dabber Dude 420. I'm going to look at it when you smash that like button. I know if you smash it. If you didn't smash it, I'm going to smash my face. I don't want to do that. Show help a boy out, man. And look at this. Last time we looked at this, again, same thing. Here's an example, right? I drew in this slope. We broke out of it. And then we came back down and we said, fuck out of here. And then we made a nice little W, boy. Okay, little George Washington. Looks good, man. G-Nog. I like G-Nog. I think G-Nog is a sleeper. And personally, I think this is in that growth sector of online gambling. It's going nowhere but up, baby, because online gambling is it's just here, baby. It's coming. It's real. It's getting further and further in legality year by year, if not month by month. It's coming, okay? Big slope. That's what I'm drawing. I always like drawing the slopes first, whether it's validating or not, which it is because it's touching it multiple times. I like this floor right here, man. Nice, clean, double bottom, George Washington, gang. And then on top of that, you know, one thing I want to note is that we are approaching the slope. So for you G-Nog gang, be wary because we are extended right now. As you can imagine, the RSI indicator is moon gang, so it's a little high. It's overdue for a pullback, and that's okay. And I'd almost prefer it because it is validating further this key sloping resistance level. If we break off that bad boy, if we break out of here, we're moving. We're moon gang, okay? Probably gonna run to about like anywhere, I'd say at least 10% minimum. Okay, if we break out of that, there's a very good chance of that. But you're more than likely going to reject as you have historically, and it's not a bad thing. Just be cognizant of that move. But again, it's very bullish right now. So try to draw on that slope. I'm on the 4 hour. Try to draw that in so you have it as a reference. And then what you can also do is come up and draw your next resistance level, right? Because it seems like that is kind of an intersection right there, as you can imagine. If we extend to the left, let's further validate that $16 resistance level we're currently experiencing. I'm already seeing more than one touch. And yes, we look back in the day, multiple times. Significant level, G-Nog, let's go, Moon Gang. Smash that like button, baby. I can't even say like button. Hey, Roman, what's up, brother? Yo, smash that like. MK64, smash that like. Smoking, smash that like. Timeout, smash that like. Kevin, what's up, gang? Smash that like. Cash Money. Yeah. Mara, I'm going to look at Mara, Smoking Dabber Dude. Why? Because you're a fiend, and so am I. I like Mara. I think Mara is disgusting. I think Mara's going to fucking pop, baby. Let me tell you. Okay? So this is another way to kind of play Bitcoin. All right? I believe they're blockchain, or what are they? They're Bitcoin miners. And the way I like to just high level, right? You can't afford a whole damn Bitcoin, but you can afford a whole damn Mara, hopefully. So you know, it's positively correlated to Bitcoin, so we got to pay attention to cryptos. But either way, right? Moon gang, it's been mooning. Here's what gives me chills, man. Let's go to the max daily. Back it up a bit. Okay. Let's go to the max weekly, matter of fact. Look at this shit. So here's what I like about Mara. If we break about $55, this line I drew here, What? I mean, there ain't shit on the way up, right? Let me see if I can highlight that for you guys. There's not a whole lot, technically speaking, on the way up in this section, which means we're more than likely going to gap fill. Now, we attempted to break 55 more interim, right? We saw highs of 58. That's fine. It got immediately rejected. That's okay. It's just further validating this region. If we break 55, I mean, clear break. I mean, I want a full mother effing candlestick above it, so I'll probably be entering at like 59. I'm gonna moon gang this shit to $70, get a quick, like, I don't know, gang 17% scalp, and then if we break $70, oh baby, same thing. There's so much gappage on this, guys. Put more on your list, man. Put more on your list. Not financial advice. The poor execution, if you have one, if you have a poor executed play, you lose money on this. It's not me, it's you. You executed. I'm just giving you a suggestion to potentially make y'all some money. But again, you have to execute, not financial advice. None of this. Check out Mara, guys. It looks great. It really does, technically. And feel free to check out these levels. And if you want to join our Patreon group, where you get private access, we get access to a private Discord over 1,000 members. I will give you guys signals for Mara so y'all know what happened with it. Yo, what's going on, brother? A Roman, smash that like. What do you think of NNE and Eng Stonks? Smash that like. I'll take a look. Which one's your favorite, man? I'm only gonna do one, maybe. All right, Nextera Energy. Looks like the Nasdaq. This thing's been bullish nonstop for years. Okay, good company. 4 hour. Let's go to the, yeah, I like the 4 hour. I don't know why it zooms me out, guys. I gotta fix my damn Thinkorswim. It's pretty annoying. Either way, obvious clear levels down here in this vicinity. Higher lows. I like that level there. It's called 70.32. Let me validate that further. Right. Easy money. Million touches. Okay. Let's do a little Nike swoosh action right now. Finding a nice dynamic support right here. I'd like to see it form potentially an ascending triangle pattern, but either way, it does look like it is. More interim approaching a point of squeeze. $78 is my current resistance level. I'm going to further validate that across. And why am I picking that? Because it looks like there's a little bit of consolidation in the last 24 hours around $78. And then in the past, we also found that as a key support and resistance level. Right? Key resistance. So it's a valid level. Okay? Either way, I think your point of squeeze is right here. I think you'll see significant movement more than usual if you do break $78. Clear breakout above $78. And then, yeah, moon gang, baby. And let's just pay attention to the sloping support. As soon as it breaks the sloping support, just make sure you mitigate risk. See where it goes next. And know that, you know, worst case scenario, if you start crashing pretty damn hard, I'd expect $70.32 to really hold you up as it has been for, I don't know, about 5 months. So pretty key floor there. Nano Dimensions is killing me right now, bro. Literally waiting on that acquiring announcement so I can take profit and ride with house money. Yeah, man. My whole portfolio is killing me right now. It's all good. At least my long-term investments, they're not doing hot. But it's because I'm in a lot of tech and growth stocks. I'm like, fuck, damn it, you fucking Nasdaq. It's all good though. I'm chilling. Broski seems to be in a good mood today. Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, thanks, man. I'm very. My juju's off lately. I think I need to just get back into like more of my good habits. I've been going to bed at like 2 a.m., waking up at like 5 a.m. 8 times, and then by the time I'm actually out of bed, it's like fuck, it's late, and then like I'm getting to work later. I'm just like, falling out of good habits. But I'm still in the gym every day. Why? Because you about the gains. And there's just been a lot going on lately, but it's all good. It's all good. We need to pick up this YouTube channel too, because I'm trying to find a new formula. Okay, we're mixing it up a little bit. I did a lot of Neo, and I still keep Neo in the videos, guys. If you've been paying attention to the top stocks videos, I still cover Neo every day. Hush, hush. It's always going to be my top stocks videos. But I want to start making you guys some money, man. And that's why I kind of made that shift on my channel towards top stocks instead of individualized focused companies. But I'll still get those videos out once in a while. So you have DD, more from a broad spectrum. So you can understand more than one company in this playing field. Let's go, baby. I got into GGB today. Thoughts, please. Go ghetto boy. GGB is the ticker symbol. The current ticker symbol, guys. GGB. Jordao. Jordao SAADR sponsored, brother. You got into it today? Oh boy. Okay. Well, it's bullish. The only thing I'm concerned about is that it's like right at a very critical level where it could see some rejection. And then 593. Now we're on the 4 hours, so let me extend these to the left. I didn't even start with the max chart as I should. Let's do a top-down analysis. Max weekly. Oh man, that is a very significant level. Well, let me tell you, if it breaks it, it's going to move really nice. Looks like it wasn't a big-ass slope, and it's still trying to get back up. Jordao. Okay. Okay. A few more things I'm seeing. Yeah, man, there's really not. I'm reluctant of that. I think you can get a little, like a nice little scalp in here, especially if you break. Give me a second. Smash that like button, guys. Do me a favor. Smash that like, man. Come on, come on. Keeps me motivated. I love being motivated. Slope and support. Boom. Ooh, wait. This is looking kind of bullish, though. Let me tell you. Ooh, oh, yeah, man, this looks good. Okay, okay. I didn't see this right away, so I'm pretty excited for you. Hopefully it pans out, though, okay? So mitigate risk. Not financial advice. Here's how I would approach this. Where is the, let me go to the 1 day. Let's go to the 5-year 1 day. Here's how I personally would approach this. Again, not financial advice. Execution comes down to you. There is an ascending triangle here. Okay, potentially. Either way, it's forming an intersection. You have key touches here. You have a strong sloping support that's been following suit for, I don't know, almost a year. Okay. It's in pretty nicely if it breaks 551. Especially $6, you could see some nice bullish continuation, right? Not too big of a mover, but I think it's a potentially decent play. Just keep your eyes on it, especially if we start approaching this sloping support. As soon as we break that sloping support, we need to, I don't know, GTFO, I guess. Yeah, it looks okay. I think you got it when it's a little extended. Me personally, I'm a little more patient with things. But you know that again, everyone has their own, plan and whatever, their own tactics. But this looks really extended. I mean, it's been pushing up hard for a while. I mean, for what, at least 2 weeks straight. Kind of overdue for a pullback. RSI is disgustingly high. Oh wait, hold on a second. There might be some divergence. There is divergence here, right? So we have lower highs potentially, and we're seeing higher lows. Ooh. Okay, so be cognizant of that. Let's go, baby. James O'Leary, welcome, brother. Thanks for moderating, guys. Smash that like. I always smash that like before I watch. Thank you, Smoking Dabber. Do you guys smash that like? Smash. Yeah. Me, so mood. Like a bowl of chocolate pudding with no whipped cream. Maybe tomorrow I get a cherry on top. Me, so mood. Like a bowl of... Wait. Chocolate, what you need, man? You need some trees, man? What you need, chocolate? We got some good stocks cooking. Yes. I hopped in MP yesterday, first entry. You hopped in MP? And everyone's a fiend about the MP. Alright, MP materials. Oh yeah. Well, it looks like a pretty good hop. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think that sloping support is gorgeous. Right now I'm on the daily, ticker symbol MP. Yeah. Let me just look at it a little bit more here. 4 hour. Okay. Let's see here. Buyer volume is picking up. I like that. Lower lows all fucking day. Looks like some possible bullish hidden divergence. Momentum is picking back up for the fucking bulls, boy. and girl. It looks good. It looks good. Let's take a look. Let's go back to the 1 day here. Okay. No, it looks like it tried to push up pretty hard today too, based on this candle. But if I go to the 1 day, we'll see that. Yeah, right here. There's that wick on that candle. So it tried to push up pretty hard, and then it looks like ultimately it closed lower than when it opened, ever so slightly, less than 0.1%. Hence we closed with a red body today, but it was a small guy, so I think it's still pushing pretty nicely. I think this is a really nice swing trade even. Looks good. All right. Good. James O'Leary, what's up, brother? Yasmin, smash that like. ARDX, by the way, thank you for the super chat, Yasmin. You to start a show right now. ARDX Hefe waiting for FDA approval on the 29th. H-Town love. Shout out H-Town, baby. ARDX. All right, bet. Let's go to the max. The max weekly. Oh, that's it. Okay. It looks like it's breaking out of a slope right now, potentially. Just eyeballing it really quick. Looks gorgeous. So it's breaking out of that bad boy. Look good. Alright. Nice little support right there, man. Nice little support. Sorry. Resistance. Let me go. Let's go to the max daily. How the fuck? Man, my chart settings are jacked, guys. Okay. Okay, yeah, that looks good. There it is. Okay. Cool. I feel good about that slope, though. We're breaking out of it. We already did break out of it, baby. Which means we could see some nice running. 4 hour, 180 day. Alright. This thing's doing some goofy shit right now. And it's running like a tank. Let's see here. A lot of long wicks up here. Tried to commit. They lost that battle. Broke out of a slope here. Forming a sloping support here. I like that. We're finding rejection off the 9 EMA. Oh my gosh. There's your what did 3 inside out candlestick pattern, right? Three inside out. Yeah. So this is a reversal pattern, three candlestick pattern, or you can call it a ghetto morning star, whatever you want to call it. So it is looking good, and again, this is the 4 hour, and I mean it's looking beautiful. That rejection looks great. So buyers are definitely in control here. It looks like a fat Marabuzo candle, boy. And then from there, let's see where it goes. I think we're gonna enter a nice point of squeeze. Let's say about 846. I like 846 a lot. Cause I think we break 846 for real. I'd probably wait till confirmation or breakout. That might put us at like 885. Let's say. Get a nice little 20% run more than likely. Okay, there's not a whole lot within that airspace there. So I like ARDX. Keep it on your list. It's looking so disgustingly bullish right now. Volume is higher than usual, so that's good. It's picking up steam. Okay. Buyers and sellers were evenly matched today. That's fine, but net overall buyers have just been saying fuck out of my face. RSI is pretty damn high, as you could imagine, but we're still having lower lows. Looks really good, potentially, right? Semi triangle, maybe. Nah, it's not there, but either way, I like the slope. MACD indicator, my price momentum indicator. Bears are trying to take over, but they won't. I'm just kidding. Who knows? You never know. So I think right now, it's very in your favor. Absolutely. As soon as we break this slope, though, this sloping support, be cognizant of that. Make sure you mitigate risk. Have an exit plan. I'd probably come a little bit below that slope. Maybe put yourself at like, I don't know what your ratio is, but if you're willing to lose 3%, stop loss is 750 about. So here's your exit. So you got in. I don't know when you got in. You could be in, actually. I don't know if you're in it now, but shit, you've been doing good the last week. So those are my thoughts. Hopefully that helped you, Yasmin. I appreciate your super chat. Smash that like, y'all. Smash. That light. Guys, I miss y'all, man. I miss it. I need to start doing more videos for you guys, okay? Because daily ain't enough. No, let me know what y'all kind of like. I'm trying to do I'm trying to get in this top stock video cadence, right? Top stocks every day, bang them out, 5 stocks. You guys add them to your watch list before, at the end of the week, got a stack of hot stocks. You just throw them out as you go, right? Oh, that didn't work. It broke that support we talked about. See ya. This didn't work. See ya. Oh, this one's up 80% today. Dope. This one's out. See ya. Right? And I'll do all that work for you. And then you get an extra step if you're a Patreon. I'll throw you guys trade signals. Let's go. Cheers, man. Go to the moon. Mara. The CLF looking to bounce up. Ticker symbol CLF is what we're on, guys. Smash that like, baby. Cleveland Cliffs Inc. Let's take a look. So, again, top down, max daily. Oh my gosh, this thing is twacking out to tweaking. Let's go back, man. Okay, not a whole lot of shit. Okay, there we go. Let's go, man. Where we at right now, man? Are we up here, though? We up here right now, man? Cool. I like that a lot. Oh, that one looks really good. Cool. Let's validate these. I'm drawing in my horizontals right now so I can cross-reference them. Boom, 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 boom. Let me double check here. Yup. Yup. Okay, good. Okay, good. Really good. Those are good. Let's go to the 4-hour. Boom. We in it to win it, Cliffs. Yeah, boy. Okay, look at that instant rejection off about 1890. It wants to break it. It wants to. Right now, it's very bearish. And you're asking, does it have room to bounce? The CLF looking to bounce up. Not yet. It doesn't look like it. Unfortunately, it did break out of a nice little slope. It looked like it was trying to form. And I'd argue that it really isn't much anyways. So, yeah, I guess I just made that shit up. But either way, it's very bearish right now. Not too strong of candlestick bodies here. And this is the 4-hour chart. But they are well below my exponential moving average line, which I refer to for confirmations or validations of price reversals. And it stopped hard as shit up here. I mean, really hard at about 20. But I think big picture wise, it really tried to test more about $19. Then it tipped a little bit into $20, and then it got rejected immediately. So if it's going to bounce back soon, more than likely, you're going to see this happen about $18, okay? So it needs to happen soon. And it looks like it is prematurely doing that, okay? There was rejection of lower prices based on this bottom wick on my candle. And the candle is very small. It's almost doji, okay? So you can it just kind of tells a story here, right? And these candles really aren't that big, okay? So I wouldn't worry too much. But again, it doesn't mean it still doesn't have room to keep selling off. I think $80 is a hard stop. Because look, the seller volume has been going down too, so that's not bad. It's getting low on the RSI indicator, and I bet seller momentum is dying too. Okay, very slightly, not really. I'd say it's more consolidating more, but either way. And consolidation is premature signs of a momentum reversal or at least regression of that momentum, right? So let's go, baby. Stones, smash that like, baby. Jaggis ain't cooking, eh? It was, technically, right? And then if it doesn't pan out, just throw it out. But you're invested. So Kevin Rome is requesting JAGX. That is the current ticker symbol, guys. For those who are watching, stay tuned. Why? Because we're savages. Also, smash that like button. Why? Because I'm a savage. It looks all right. So, again, I'm optimistic. We crossed over that big slope, man. That big sloping resistance. Okay? Again, guys, ticker symbol JAGX, Jaguar Health. All right. Maybe a sloping support here. I'm seeing a little bit of a pennant here, a bull pennant pattern. All right. Potentially. It's not looking too bad. If not, it's let me go to, let's take a look at this here. This looks like an interesting pattern if it is one. Okay, so maybe it's a bull flag pattern. Hard to tell. Share you guys' thoughts. But either way, I think Jaguar is fine. It just needs a little bit of steam. That's all it is. It needs a little bit of steam. Not financial advice. You know, don't bag hold it if you lose too much money. But honestly, I do like that it crossed this sloping resistance. Okay, it's been holding this for months, and it's essentially entering into territory of becoming bullish now. The flip side of that. And again, it's just been kind of consolidating over. Sometimes you'll see it like this. When you break a slope, it doesn't mean it's just going to, right? It doesn't mean a breakthrough. That just means it's like confirming early signs of a breakthrough. Your breakthroughs are when you like break through these horizontals, right? We get enough momentum after breaking out of such a negative price action for months. You cross over that slope, and then now you're prematurely bullish. And then when you break through these very significant horizontal levels, that's where you get bullish continuation, more than likely. So I am optimistic that that broke through. It's just kind of consolidating. And again, sometimes when it breaks through, though, it can consolidate for some time, right? It might do this across the board for a while. And within that time frame, you might see some things form that make it even more bullish. But yeah, man. What's up, G Stonks? Will you be buying coin? It has crazy financials for when it goes public. Yeah, I can't look at anything. When did they go public? I'm curious. Smash that like, baby. What's going on? What do you think of... Oh, I got you already, brother. James, what's up, brother? Daniel Busalado, welcome, man. Yo, we in the house. Hit that, man. Hit that like. Show some love. Love you, bro. Thanks, Daniel. What do you think fuel cell high will be, Timmy? Fuel cell high? Man, I don't know what the high is gonna be. You crazy, boy. You crazy, boy. $100. Let me see here. Excuse me. Let's go to the one there. Oh yeah, boy. Slope gang, maybe. It's kind of ugly. I'm not gonna force it. Let's go to the max weekly real quick. I saw it about there. Let's go to 4 hour. Yeah. And if I move that. Alright. Okay. Moon gang. Bear with me, guys. I want to just validate this slope. If it's here, we're cooking. Extend to the left, Let's go to the max weekly. Okay, there's a slope. Okay, oh yeah. Fudge, yeah. Okay, looks ugly on the weekly, that's fine. Because we drew it on the 4 hour aggregation. Maybe there's something there. And if that slope's not there, fuck it. Whatever. Either way, key floor, like 1150. I think you're currently testing right now at about 1258 as well, 1260. So it's still pretty bearish right now. Okay. It's forming its own sloping support or resistance, more interim. So it does look kind of bearish right now. Seller volume is decreasing though, luckily, and net overall your daily average is tremendously high. We're seeing lower lows though on the RSI, but it's also getting out of favorable buying position. Bearish momentum is picking up just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I want to see what happens. Pre-market. I think that's going to tell a much bigger story. If we get something nice pre-market, I mean, there's opportunities to move up. You know, maybe upwards of a 5% day. It just really depends. It's high for tomorrow, man. I have no idea. I know right now direction is just unclear, and if there is clarity around any current direction, I'd argue it's bearish right now. So we need to wait for some things, okay? And it's clear below my EMA line as well, and this is on the 4 hour. So let's see what happens. ASXC, is the bearish momentum strong? Smash that like and I'll tell you, brother. Is the bearish momentum strong? Nah, not really, but it's picking up pretty fast. And the price action is strong. The momentum's not crazy strong, but it's picking up, and the price action is pretty strong because it's just well below my exponential moving average. So it just depends on what you use too. I use the 9 EMA. Maybe it's not that low on if you use a different EMA. So, but it's just something that works for me. And again, it just looks a little bearish right now. Okay. Well, you see what happens. Like after hours, I think after hours buyers tried to regain control, but not a whole lot. So let's see what happens pre-market. It's kind of the same situation with fuel cell. EXPI is the ticker symbol. IY, smash that like button, baby. EXPY looks really good. It's like a nice slope, baby. Slope, we hitting the slopes, man. We hitting the mountains, man. Stand to the left. Max Wheatley, man. Oh. Okay. Not bad. Yeah, this looks pretty good, man. Thank you for sharing. Let's go to the... That's the 4 hour here. Yeah, I like this. This looks good. Okay. Next stop. Right by here. Alright, cool. Nice, gorgeous, gorgeous sloping resistance. This thing is looking very, it looks like it's going to cook out. I like this one. EXP volume, not too shabby. Seller volume's dying, buyer volume's picking up. We're seeing higher lows. Nice. Okay. And it's at a pretty cheap buy, arguably, right? Lower half of the RSI indicator. Momentum ain't shit for the bears. They think they have this. They ain't got shit. This thing looks like it's approaching a nice little breakout, man. I want to see a clear break above this slope. Next stop is about 49.75. If we break 49.75, that's my breakout That's my breakout, and the target is about 57. If we break 57, we're just gonna keep climbing. But the thing is, with how significant this slope looks and how nice it looks, I think if we break out of it, it's gonna move. It's gonna get nice momentum. I think it will. Again, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But technically speaking, it looks good. I do like EXPI. Nice pick, man. Let's go, baby. Now Dimensions is up 13 cents in after hours. The Dresm is real. Wait, when you say you want to see a candle above the resistance, on what time interval do you want to see that candle? It just depends. So I think the bigger the better. It's one of those things, right? So if I'm looking at it'd probably be the 4 hour for me. I just like the 4 hour. But the bigger the better, the more significant. So I'd say the 4 hour, if that answers your question. If you don't mind, I'll show you an example. Let me see if I can find a point where it broke. Just bear with me, guys. All right. Because there is times. Well, here's the thing. You just got to understand candles, okay? And then understand that each time you go into a lower time frame, it's just encapsulating that big ass candle. You probably already have that figured out. I can tell you the story with any one of these candles right now, and I'll hit it on the money. Okay. Let's talk about what 3 days ago. Now let's talk about what a good one, man. Let's talk about like 5 days ago. I'm gonna highlight this. This is telling me buyers won the day, right? We closed above where we opened, so we had a green body. And I can tell you that it was decently volatile. Sellers did take it down pretty damn low. Buyers ultimately took over. I don't know at what part of the day. And then, yeah, so let's take a look. Fuck. Okay, well, you can see the day right there. And you can see what I talked about here, right? Buyers, we opened and closed higher than where we started. Sellers took it down pretty well, but buyers ultimately regained control. And I don't know what point of the day they did. But yeah, either way, this captured most of that day, not all of it. Wish I had a better example. Either way, 4 hours what I prefer. Okay, 4 hour. If it's validating a significant breakthrough on like the 1 day versus like the 1 hour, that's even more. It's just that much more significant. Okay. Thank you, FTFT. FaceTime. Smash that like, brother. Carlos Cruz, what's up, brother? Thoughts on Tesla? Thoughts on Tesla? They're dope. Clean up. Yeah, Tesla's great, man. I think it's just just buy it, and then just ride it, baby. Tesla's a tank. Nice sloping support on the max weekly, max daily. Can validate that further for us, okay? Nice. Double bottoms. Let's hit this. It's completely refusing to break this sloping support for the lifetime of the company. 4 hour. This thing's looking just like Neo, right? Finally broke out of this shitty ass thing we were going through. I'd argue that slope was more down here. Finally broke out of it. And ever since, I've been trying to just regain that steam. It's been forming a nice little double bottom here. And the thing that's nice about the double bottom is that it's higher lows. It's finding a pretty significant resistance level, just like Neo. For those who follow Neo. And looks like it's sold off today. I'd be really excited to see if Tesla forms a sloping support here. I'd be really excited to see that. But either way, man, this is where y'all gotta take a breather and literally go to the max 1 day. I mean, you can see for 2 years straight, it's just been bullish. Okay? Non-stop. It's been finding this sloping support. If I were to put my money on this sloping support, which I probably would, not financial advice, I could have told you as we got close to it, it's going to bounce. I don't know how far up it's going to bounce, right? We're seeing more rejection than usual, especially along here. It's really just been consolidating the last couple months. That's fine. It's called market volatility. Totally normal in the game, right? Did it over here for a while. No one was freaking the fuck out then. So either way, it's just kind of chilling out right now. It's finding support. It's still holding long and strong. And eat it up when you can. But always try to get it at the best buy possible. Hey, bro, love the channel, but I'm tempted to troll you just to hear you rip me up. You're too funny, JJ. Okay. Smash that like, baby. Smash. Coco. Sad to ask, but sundial. I knew it. I knew there was a sundial fiend in here. I felt it. Freaking sundial, man. This company. Freaking sundial. Alright, we'll take a look. Because I know there's sundial fiends in here. They ain't as brave as this soul. So let's take a look at sundial. Let's take a look, baby. Alright. Oh yeah, gorgeous. On the money, boy. So that slope is there. It looks nice. I like it. 4 hour. Looks good. I think it needs to move a little bit more. And this stock is just parabolic as hell. Moves for no reason. So what we need to do is we need to cross over this sloping resistance. Okay, significant. Let's cross through that slope. And then from there I can expect some pretty nice running potentially. Next stop I like is 1.7. Alright. Say we buy in conservatively above the breakout. Nice little, 18% scalp. SNDL. But right now I think it's just been kind of chilling out for a little bit. Yay. Oh, Martin, thank you. Thank you for the super chat, man. Appreciate you, Martin. Boss man, I haven't seen you for a while. Hope all is well. Please give me some personal thoughts on Zken. Absolutely. ZKIN is the ticker symbol we own, baby. ZK International, boy. Gang. All right. ZK International. Bullish. Let's go to the max. Oh, yeah. Cup and handle, God. Look at this thing, man. Cup and handle, gang. Cup, God. Look at this shit. Boom. There's my cup. I'm smashing a lot of soda in here, aka Jack Daniels. And then it forms the handle so I can hold my Jack Daniels as I'm slamming it. So I do like this cup and handle pattern. It looks juicy. And even if that thing's not there, I don't give a fuck. Let's go to the 4-hour though. Check this out, man. It's holding my moving average significantly. My 180-day moving average. You all use what you want. I like using this. But either way, it's really just telling me this thing's holding support somewhere, some way, somehow. Consistently, it's forming two little nice humps up here. It's just been appreciating higher highs. I like it. Right now, direction's a little unclear. It looks pretty bearish just because we're well below my moving average, but that's okay. My exponential moving average, and that's just more interim, as in like the last day or two. Nothing too crazy. Seller volume's dying. I like that. That's good. That's very in your favor, and it's just further validating the sloping support. So if we're gonna see any bounce anytime soon, I'd expect it to be very soon. Okay. Seller volume is dying down. RSI looks very cheap. Okay, it's at 36. It's very low. Momentum is picking up for the bears. Makes sense. They ended the day winning, right? The majority of the volume today was seller volume, so it makes sense. Taking a further step back here, we'll talk about some other things. There's a possibility, and it's just kind of harder to draw on because all the damn wicks. There's a sloping support or sloping resistance here. I'm just gonna say slope. It's a lot easier. So you know we could enter a point of squeeze at some point here. That might just induce a little more volume or momentum just because it's been selling off for almost 3 weeks straight, or about 2.5. Let's go to the. Let me take this out here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, this thing looks pretty volatile. A lot of wicks. I like that level there. Let's further validate that. Yes, sir. And I like this one as well. That's a really good one. 936. And let's just ride with that, because that's quite a bit of price movement. So right now, again, I'm glad I went to the 1 hour because it's telling a little bit of a different story. My EMA line, we are approaching it, right? We're seeing a lot of consolidation after that huge pullback from this candle, right? And then there was a lot of rejection of lower prices, and then the bodies just kept getting smaller, and then they went green eventually, and then now we're just kind of consolidating with some dojis in the after hours today. So it's just further validating the sloping support. I hope the sloping support does validate for us. Let's wait for a clear cross above 8.5. So I think things are in your favor right now. Seller volume is decreasing, okay, but we are in a little bit of, we were on the big chart increasing in bearish momentum, but on the hour chart we are decreasing in that. So it just depends on how long you're holding the security for, or if you're looking to get in, whatever. But I think confirmation of a price reversal is easily going to be at about 8.5 or higher, okay? Because by the time we even cross this EMA line, which is my general rule of thumb for above the 9 EMA, that's confirmation. By the time we're above that, that's probably going to place us right at about 8.5. So we need to cross 8.5 and that moving average. And then I think we're going to move nicely, easily to about 936 is your next stop. And let's see where it goes from there. I think it looks good. It looks really cheap. It's low on the RSI. But you have to be very careful as we approach significant levels like this. And as soon as we break this support, okay, I'd be very careful with it going forward just for the next couple days or weeks, because that's a very significant sloping support. So if it breaks, it might jack up a few things. So we'll see what happens. All right. Let's go, baby. Martin, thank you again. Thank you again. Smash that like, boy. Smash. Give me a second. All right. We back. We in it. So, who's ready to win it? I got Sundial at 98 cents today. Probably going to lose half value since I got in. Nice. Little Caesars. What's up, brother? E-Bone. Kevin Rome. Bithuan. Sarathon. Smash that like, baby. I hope I got your... Oh, look at James O'Leary up in here. Deleting chats. Thanks, man. Come on, let me get this clown out of here. Forgot this clown right here. Bye. Okay. Let's get back to the stonks, baby. Ebon. Little Caesars, what's up, brother? And if y'all want to join our private Discord with trade signals, check out the link at the top of the chat box. At the very least, smash that like button. Ebon. Alright. I don't know shit about this. Ebang. Is Ebang the... Is that new EV company in China or some shit? I don't know. I think it is. I just don't know. I could just entirely be making that up. Hey, boom. Let's see if we're finding a sloping support here, and it looks like we are. I like that. G money. 4 hours, what we're on. Ticker symbol's EBON, guys. Stay with it. Stay with it. Before you stay with it, though, hit with it. Hit that like. Actually, don't hit the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Fuck. Absolutely annihilate that like button. Okay. I think we're finding a nice floor here. Potentially speaking, historically speaking, we have substantially rejected, and I mean substantially rejected, off that sloping support. Let's see if we can do it again, baby. Okay. It's looking a little bearish right now, though. Be a little bit careful. I like that volume has been picking up, though. Seller volume has been increasing the last week, but has been decreasing in the last 48 hours. RSI is super cheap right now, super, super low. This thing is cheap as hail, and the bearish momentum is dying. So a lot of things are in your favor. Looks good, but be very careful as we approach the sloping support again. Same thing as last stock. If we break that, get the fuck out, leave. No, just be careful. Cool. Okay, we did fuel cell already, boss. We'll do BLDP is the ticker symbol requested by Vidyawidion Serpatan. I like the name, man. I know I butchered it. Ballard Power Systems. Okay. Looks like we've looked at this before. Potential slope. Slope gang. Looks good, baby. I'd like to break it. We're trying. Looks like we did break through this floor of 23.94 and we retraced right back to it. So can we actually break through it again and keep on this nice run that we had? Key levels that I have more interim. 2025 mid-level 2181. Current resistance at 23.94. Write them down or get close to it as you try to draw it. I think either way though, try to find that sloping resistance level. Try to draw that bad boy, and I think that slope's going to work in your favor. Because it is fairly significant. If I go, let's extend to the left, right? Just further validation, right? 1 peak, 2 peaks, and I didn't even look at the max chart yet, right? Okay, well, I didn't hit shit, but either way, you always got to check. G money. Okay. It's not looking bad. You think you do a quick TN E-Bond? Yeah. Okay. Nightly. Hopefully that helped you out, man. Smash that subscribe button too, guys. Smash that like, subscribe. I stream twice a week. Usually the Sunday one is the goon one, because I just slam a lot of liquor before I start off my week of work. Because why? Because I'm a savage. Don't worry about it, man. Don't fucking worry about it. I'd be smashing liquor right now. I'm just I don't know. Nobody's requested it yet, so that's why. It's crazy when I used to get super chats for shots, and I would literally leave the live stream just blasted, man. Nobody knew it. Nobody knew it. But it was a good time. I'm going to keep doing that. Mistakes. What's up, brother? STPK price average. I think we looked at STPK already. So current ticker symbol we're looking at, guys, is STPK. Smash that like button, bye. I'll give you guys some fame. Oh, shit. Mo Gari. Thank you for the super chat, brother. Hey, man, can you do ATNF? Cheers from Canada. Canada seems to be ready for a squeeze. Most shorted stock on the market. CA? Oh no, ATNF? Okay. Yeah, brother. Thank you for the support. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think I've done TA on this. Yeah, I have. Cool. When did I do TA on this though? I wonder if I called out anything that's panned out. Looks like I called out a sloping support and it just blew the fuck out of that. Resistance. Damn it. Keep calling it support. Yeah, it looks like we called this out. Ran up when it broke through. It's already ran up. Yeah, about a little 25% runner. 27% runner. Cool. Let's take a look. Most shorted stock on the market. Is it really? This thing is just cup and handle mode right now. Well, mutated ghetto cup and handle. And then it did another one. I like that support. I do. I like that slope. Let's go to the 4 hour. Looks like an ascending triangle. Yeah, just a little bit one right here. Assuming that they are rejecting off the same level, which they are. It's not necessarily at 777. It's more, again, I draw these in fast. It's probably more like 756, 755. It looks like it's been rejecting off that multiple times, and it's been holding a support along the way. Okay, that's really good. So a nice ascending triangle pattern here. Looks like it is breaking through. I'd almost call that a confirmation. So that is pretty significant. There's a chance this thing could run pretty fucking hard tomorrow. Like pretty damn hard tomorrow. Yeah, like 20%. Let's take a look. Volume's pretty high right now. It needs bullish continuation. Bearish momentum's high as shit. Buyer volume's picking up like crazy. Yeah, so it looks like it could run pretty hard tomorrow. 15. I thought I was seeing a little bit of a triangle forming there. But this looks really good. Good call, man. It seems to be ready for a squeeze. Yeah, shit. No shit, dude. Yeah, guys, this thing might run good 20%, 25% tomorrow. I'd add it to your list. Because it's starting to break out. Like right now. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty fucking good. So I like this, man. ATNF. I'm gonna add ATNF to my list. A light EXPI. I like all of these actually. You guys are getting really good at picking, honestly. What else looks pretty damn juicy? Fuck. I can't remember. Either way, though, I look at these watch lists from these live streams anyways throughout the day, and then if they're hitting, I'll let you guys know in the private Discord. Okay. Cool. Yeah, good stock. Good stock, man. And if you culminate the technicality behind it along with the short squeeze action, that thing's going to fucking easily run 20% tomorrow. I think so. I think there's a chance. We got to watch pre-market. I think pre-market will tell a further story. Thank you for the super chat, brother. And I'm giving you guys some fame right here. Look, I'm throwing you over here, man. Tanya, what's up, girl? Good to see you again. Good to see you. I love seeing a lot of my reoccurring visitors, man. I really appreciate you guys' support. Hopefully we get some new ones in here, guys. Show them some love. If I can't answer their question, because it's hard to get to everyone. I wish I could. But if I can't answer their question and y'all are TAing too on the side or chilling with your boy while I'm live streaming, help these guys out. Or maybe you're in the stock yourself, you know, let the new people in here know what's up. Give them some tips, you know. Oh, excuse me. All right. Short squeeze happening in McDonald's stock cash out. What? Why is everything like short squeeze nation right now? Where do you guys find short squeeze info? Please let me know. Please. It can't just, is there like some global page? Like, it can't just be digging through Reddit forever and looking for a post that's very popular with a lot of likes or whatever the fuck you call it on Reddit. What do you call them? Up arrows or some shit? Or karma? I can't remember. Guys, how do you find short squeeze? How do you find info on stocks that are about to get short squeezed? I'm curious. I know how to look up short interest. I understand float, all that shit. I just don't know how do you know when these cults are getting together? It's gotta be Reddit, that bullshit Reddit. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Smash a whiskey, my guy. You damn savage. Hold on, I gotta get ladies first, guys. Ladies first and super chatters first. And don't lie. Tanya. I don't know if I've ever been saying it right. Yo, have you done BA? If not, Boeing. Yeah, we'll take a look at Boeing. Chris Robinson. What's up, brother? Chris, good to see you, man. Everybody smash that like button while we got a chance. Smash, baby. Smash, baby. Smash that like. I can see the likes right now. They're weak. How's there over 100 people on the stream right now? And they ain't even 70 likes. Guys, let's get to 100 likes tonight. All right, that's what will keep me up. There ain't no other goon-ass YouTubers right now throwing you some free TAs. All right, boy and girl. BA. We're looking at BA and SLNO, and then I'm going to scroll up and see if we can find some more. But you know the ladies take priority. Boeing and Super Chatos. So I always do a top-down analysis. Okay, Boeing's tweaking. Let's go to the Max Weekly. Such an old company. All right. Cool. Nothing crazy. That's crazy. This company used to be $7. It's always cool seeing that. It's looking bullish as shit right now. Right? I'm guessing this is like a culmination of the global pandemic and then the 747 Maxes. Those things kicked their ass, man. Oh my gosh. I was like, how's this company even like breathing right now? That's the power of government subsidies. That's why I think NEO is to the moon, baby. They will always have security even through a fucking global pandemic. Come on now, son. Looks like we called that breakout too the other day. Okay, nice little slope. Let me draw on a few more things. All right. Watch me work. Boom. All right. Gorgeous cup and handle. Looks like it's in right now, all right? Cup, handle, boom, moon, 4 hour. Yep. It's 4-night handle. Like my sloping support more interim. Looks gorgeous. It's looking bullish. I think it's looking bullish right now. Let's take a look at some other key indicators here. And we have earnings up and coming. All right. Buyer volume and seller volume are pretty evenly matched, okay? Yeah, they're pretty evenly matched. I would say net overall there's probably been more buyer volume, but they're both going down about the same rate. Which is not crazy. I mean, they still have 21 million daily average, so they're going to be okay. Lower highs, as you would expect. This thing's been very bullish. Okay, RSI is not that bad. It's pretty discounted. I'd like it a lot cheaper. Right now it's at about, 46.5 on the 4-hour chart, 180-day 4-hour chart. There is bearish momentum right now, but it is slowing down. starting to turn down just a little bit, And I think net overall, that's not that strong of momentum anyways, okay? So no worries there. But the big picture gets me excited, and even the more interim picture. For the last 2 months, it has been appreciating nonstop, holding this sloping support substantially. It's been looking really good, and probably same shit, different day kind of thing, right? And it's already starting to do that, right? It's already starting to bounce again off this sloping support. Next stop could be anywhere. It could be anywhere from being substantial or something a little more conservative. I'd say your next stop is generally going to be around maybe 256, and that's when you'll see. I mean, that's like super conservative. I think if we bounce off this again, we're going to run up again. We might even fall back in line potentially with this sloping resistance level on the big chart, because you can see we're just kind of sitting in this flag pattern, this ascending channel pattern. That's why I drew it on the max max daily. Damn it. Right, you can see just overall it's in a nice ascending channel pattern, and then when you're down a little bit more, you know, that tells you, hey, you know, it has really that much opportunity to honestly go up back to, you know, 300 about again, 290. Looks good. I think Boeing's it's a strong company. They got dividends. They used to. They broke asses, but no, it's a good company. They're defense. They're fine. Phenomenal company. They're here forever. The government keeps them alive. Good sense of security there, and they still have a lot to make up, right? People are fucking eating down here. I'll tell you that. They're eating good. Shit, $90 a share. Oof. Oof. There you go. This is ticker symbol BA, guys, Boeing. And then we're going to look at SLNO, and then we're going to get to some more chats. SLNO. Let's go. Looks like I've done this before. Let's go to the max. Wakely. Very volatile. That's what we want, baby. Why? Because we're fucking savages, guys. You guys want to make money or not? Okay? Because we're going to do it. Just stick with me on this channel, guys. We'll get you the money. We'll get you to the money, okay? We've already made... We've been doing pretty well. With some people have been doing pretty well ever since we started calling out some stocks for them. And it's not me bragging. That's me saying that I'm glad they're working for you especially. And I'm glad you're executing because, again, this game, guys... Anyone, it's not that hard. Anyone all day, you can just follow a bunch of Twitter pages, join a bunch of Telegrams, join a bunch of Facebook groups, join a bunch of Discord. You can do whatever you want. You have to execute. Doesn't matter, okay? So it's cool to see that. It means like they're actually getting better, not just, and then they culminate that with a good run that they got. Nice chunk of change. So I'm happy for that. I love that. It's great. But yeah, it's all down to execution, guys. I'll spitball you guys good stocks all day. And then if you fail to execute, then let's talk about it. I'll work with you. We'll get you better and to a point where you can execute consistently, okay? No one's perfect. I'm definitely not. I'm trying to get as close to perfect as possible, though. And that's where I want to be with you guys on the come up because I'm getting there. There ain't shit getting in my way. There never has been. Let's go, baby. Go mode. I'm a fucking bulldozer, baby. Check this out. Okay, this gap down is killing me technically. It's really throwing me off. That's why I've been kind of just sitting here, so looking at it for a bit here. Right now I'm on the 1 hour. Let me give the bottom of the chat some fame here. Oh no, there it is. Extend to the left. Yeah, I think I like it on the big more. I don't even know if that's... Nah, that doesn't feel like it's there. I like it here. I like it here. It's a little mild. Might like this a little bit better. Let's try that. Yeah. Moon. Okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh yeah. Slope God. So right now it's just been kind of chilling, a lot of consolidation. I think right now it's entering a potential point of squeeze just the way it's been moving. So generally within this area, I'd like to see a crossover of my sloping resistance level. From there, it can run pretty damn nice. It can run pretty damn nice. I mean, there's opportunity for a gap fill, and at the very least, I mean, it's so cheap that when it moves, I mean, we're talking a lot, right? It's amplified, guys. Going from 137 to 184 is 31% at least. So if we break out of the sloping resistance, if we break out of the sloping resistance, which we likely will, or there's a chance that we can. I shouldn't say likely will. That's completely false. There's a chance that we can. So you need to watch both directions. If it breaks pattern, get out. Whatever. Don't even look at it again for a while. But other than that, I'm gonna wait for a breakout above 137. 1.4 is my breakout target, and then my target to exit. So 1.4. And this is being aggressive. I'd probably go a little bit higher than 1.4. Not financial advice. None of this shit is. And then for me to exit, I'd probably try to get a quick 25% in. Probably conservatively, 1.75 is my target. So breakout, I kind of changed my mind on that. I'd probably be more like 150 just because I'm conservative. I just want to catch partial amounts of the runs. I'll probably get out at 175. Take my 17%, run. Peace. Thanks for playing. Let's go. How y'all doing, man? Smash that like, baby. I feel like everyone has a different definition of what a short squeeze is. Also, it's Tanya. Yeah, Tanya. What did I say? Tanya? I live in the South, girl. Okay? Well, now I do. So that's probably why I butchered it. Because I think a lot of names have like on in it, like that. I don't know. Maybe just making shit up. Cool. Tanya. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm distracted. Thought stocks. Well, let me write down this ticker symbol here. SLNO. I like SLNO. It looks good, guys. I love cheap stocks. And then I'm going to write down EBON. Okay. Alright. Thought stocks went up as you went. Never seen anything like XL. And was not a pump and dump. It's $1 billion cap, but it did it crazy. Okay. Let's take a look at XL, guys. Ticker symbol XL. Oh, it's cooking, baby. There's that sloping resistance we drew in, boy. It's bouncing. XL fleet, man. It's cooking, man. It's cooking, man. Looks good. Excuse me. Key level, key resistance I have next stop, 954. Above that's about 1080. Key floor that I have is 780. Write it down, XL fleet. It is attempting to break my sloping resistance, but it can completely get rejected. But this is a very significant slope right here. And again, it's testing it right now. It's not breaking through. It's trying to break through, though. Okay, pretty much a confirmation of a breakthrough is just going to place us anywhere generally about that next resistance level. Probably about 9, anywhere between 950, 970. Boo. Anyone buying into the SOS Reddit pump right now? Guys, I called that SOS last night. Y'all missed the gains, man. I told you. Did you watch my top stocks video? Probably didn't, man. Well, you should have watched it, though. Should have watched it, man. I'm telling you, I don't think it's done yet. Because technically, it looks gorgeous. Then you culminate that again with this fucking Wall Street bet, fucking gorilla crack baby shit. That will probably push this up to $300. I don't fucking know. You culminate it with that, and there's a chance it could run nicely. But even technically, it looks nice. So I'm pretty excited. And fundamentally, shit. SOS. Let's make the money. How about Coinbase being listed? I'm excited. Coinbase is dope. Who are we looking at? You're looking at a goon. That's who you're looking at. Thoughts on OCGN, guys? Smash that like button. I'll tell you guys all my thoughts. Smash the like button. Let's take a second to smash the like button. I'm going to check my life real quick. Let me check my phone. Call me on my cell phone. When you smash that like button. Smash that fucking like button. Smash that fucking like button. Smash that fucking like button. Smash that shit. Let's go, baby. We ain't done with the touchdowns. You doubt we done? We ain't done. We got a couple touchdowns left. We back with it. AMD, JD. Future is ripping. Makes sense on the charts from a distance. Thoughts on AMD? What buy right now? SOS. No, not financial advice. What you buy right now is time and knowledge. But you can't buy it. Why? It's priceless. Ooh, would you like that? Spitting game. Let's look at AMD real quick. So I'm hearing about it a lot. AMD looks like another. Yep, just like all these tech stocks have been doing the same shit. Makes sense. It's on the Nasdaq, so it's just riding the Nasdaq. You want some deja vu real quick? Here's AMD. No, that's not a good example. That's pretty lame. What the fuck is it? Alright, there's fuel cell. It's still not really a good example. But here's AMD. I think Tesla was doing it, right? There's Tesla, right? It's all the same shit. Higher lows, right? Here's Neo. Neo! Right? Higher lows. So it's just riding the Nasdaq. So I'd look at the Nasdaq before, unless there's some AMD catalysts or fundamentals. They're in the semiconductor industry too, so be cognizant of substantial financial impacts, especially on their next earnings. Neo, XP, Jimmy, XL, just really, they all look hot and grr. When then they go up, they stay up, man. Yeah, Arnold, I love my EVs, man. I love EVs, man. I might drive one myself, but you'll never know. Oh my gosh, I lost you guys, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, there's just so many chats in here, man. Tanya. I feel like everyone has a different, yeah, I'm way behind on chats. Check out Rut, Eugene. Check out that like button. Andrew, what's up, brother? Guys, Andrew, Therese, Onedo, Born Center, Jesus Gomez, Janoyamai 5, Preston Jones, Dinero Moses, Reed, Julio Martinez, Preston Jones, Teresa Oneda, Dinero Moses. Smash that like button, baby. Would love for you to check out Okta. OKTA. We're looking at Okta right now, man. Okta Inc. Okta Hook. Let's go to the max, man. What we doing right now, man? Look how bullish this is. Where's this thing going? Moon. That's where it's going. Where the fuck thing's going, baby? Look at this shit, man. This thing gives no fucks, boy. What? This thing, man. This thing going to the moon, man. 4 hour. Nah, no, it does look very bullish right now. I like it. It looks aggressive. Looks like a fucking tank. I'm on the 4 hour chart right now, boss. Key support level I have is $208 and about 17 cents. I'm seeing a gorgeous slope right here. Love to break that, man, and I think we are. I think we're going to at some point in time. Let's see. The reason why I feel so confident is because the volume's been maintaining for a prolonged amount of time. Bearish momentum is very low right now. I know you can't really see it. Here's why I'm confident. Because of this. Anything that happens on a bigger aggregation period is substantially more significant, guys. Please understand that. Right? it's finding it is rejecting this shit so hard. I mean, it's at least consolidating at it, but it's yeah, it gives no fucks. All right, Green Marabuzo. Okay, this thing's going in, so I like it. Let's see what happens. I like Octoboy and girl or girl. I don't know. You are God of War, Mustafa Al-Somali. BT, give me a little more, brother. What do you think of NCLH? Also, any others like them? Would you recommend NCLH? Excuse me. Oh yeah, this looks just like we looked at like 2 other stocks like this. I think it was Tanya's stock, and then it was Tanya. Your stock was doing the same thing. I'm pretty sure. Just a big fucking knife, and it's just been appreciating ever since. Oh man, I like these stocks, man. I haven't seen a lot of picks like this. This shit's cool. I like when it falls, because when it falls that hard, it gives it so much opportunity to run up. Because every reaction in the stock market is typically an overreaction. Okay, not always, but more than likely. And because of that, I mean, you just have so much more room for recovery, and it's substantial. It's great. Make money. Let's go. Moon gang. Ascending channel pattern. Okay. There's potential. Could be a bearish flag. Okay, but I don't know. We'll see. It's a big ass bearish flag, and it's been going like this for almost a year straight. So nowhere but up, technically speaking. Let's go to the 180-day chart, 4 hour. Again, you can see this channel. Let's keep it in our back pocket. And again, based on your aggregation period, right, you're going to see a little bit tighter of a line there. Looks like it's forming a nice cup and handle. Handle's forming here. I'm going to see if it can reject off my EMA line here, my 9-day EMA. Or at the very least, start to continue on with a sloping support that it could be potentially forming, which could eventually form into an ascending triangle pattern, more interim. Okay, doesn't look bad. It looks bullish, net overall. Cup and handle, especially with this cup and handle. Let's see if it's ever done that before and see what the result was. There's kind of a big one, but not really. It's not as clean. And let's see here. Not really one there. It's nice. It's crazy, and I like it because, again, it's been sitting in this ascending channel pattern, and it forms a cup and handle near the top of the resistance. So I mean, it could push pretty fucking nice, especially if it bounces off the sloping support, more interim here that I drew on the 4 hour. So potentially speaking, yeah, NCLH looks good, man. I like it. Any others like it? Yeah, it's the one Tanya requested, which was thought I wrote it down. Shit. Oh, Boeing. Was it Boeing? I think it was. Damn old ass company. See, Boeing did the same thing. Falling knife, ascending channel pattern. Oh, my allergies are terrible, guys. Cool. CTRM is cheap, and I love your thoughts. Let's take a look. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom so I can give you all some fame. Fame, fortune, and a little bit of soda. That's an inside joke unless you're new to the channel. Or wait, no. Wait, I said that wrong. Either way, it's an inside joke. But it won't be soon. Because once you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, smash that fucking like, then we're all good, baby. Sloping, slope, man. I like it. 180 day, boom. Castor Maritime, okay? It doesn't look like it's doing much. I was really disappointed when it broke this support at 69. I was really disappointed because that pretty much told me, I mean, I took it off. It just wasn't interesting to me anymore. Okay. It's very bearish ever since. Because you got to understand right here. There's so many fucking lines. I mean, hold on a second. You got to understand. that right there was such a significant point. The fact that we, because we were entering pretty much a squeeze right here, and it could have went two ways. It could have went this way, and we're gonna make some damn good money, or it could have went this way, and it said fuck out of here, and it said fuck out of here, and it's still pretty damn bearish right now. So very disappointed that broke. It's not gonna stop for probably a little bit. More likely than not, probably somewhere in this vicinity of about 0.48, which it's approaching now. But yeah, when it broke that, man, I was disappointed. Not trying to sound pessimistic, guys, because it might end up forming the same thing, but on a bigger scale. Who knows? But either way, let's see what happens next. And this slope is still valid, right? Or it might even form a steeper one more interim. Right, possibly some shit like that. You can draw slopes on any time frame; they're still applicable. Smash that like, baby. We had 100 likes yet. If we're not 100 likes, oh my gosh, guys, we gotta give me to 100, 100, guys. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm grateful that you're here on the live stream, guys. I do this twice every week. I do one in the middle of the week and one at the end of the week to kick off the fresh week on Wall Street. So I do one every Sunday night as well. That's usually the longer one too. I'll go for shit. It used to be 4 to 5 hours. Check that out. If you want to join a private Discord channel, over 1,000 members, you got to be a patron, but you get a lot of benefits with that. Check the link above in the chat. Either way, guys, I'm just appreciative that you're here. You don't have to do the like button, subscribe, all that. I just encourage it, and I think you'll have fun along the way, okay? And maybe I can help you with some things going forward, or you can just use me for finding some hot styles, okay? So just turn on the subscribe button, hit the notification, man, and we'll get you covered, okay? And I get savage in some of my videos, okay? Let me tell you, go watch those Neo videos. It was getting so bad, I was having dads, like, reach out to me. They're like, hey man, you swear too much on your channel. I'm like, hey man, you're fucking stupid. It's censored, you fucking clown. PG-13, you don't want your 15-year-old child hearing that? You're PG-13, you idiot. Fucking troglodyte. I mean, like, you telling me you don't swear with your wife ever once in a while or something? You fucking loser. But either way, yeah, I get savage on those. Check out Bofa. Oh man, is this a joke? Bofa. Alright. I'm typing it. You ready? I fucking knew it, you mother... I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it, Andrew. You... Check out, guys, check out ticker symbol Bofa, alright? Please check out the ticker tell. It's a cheap stock. Okay. I fucking knew it. Hey, at least I called it. At least I thought it was coming. Alright. I think tell's pretty good. I thought I had it on one of mine. Oh, I'll give you guys a good one, actually. Oh, this is actually really good. I like this. But I'll give you guys another good one. You guys are calling out the good stocks, man. I think I'm going to add this, too, to my list. I like this one a lot. Yeah, this shit looks good, man. I'm not even on the max yet. I've just been looking at the 4 hour. So we're on the 4 hour chart, guys. Ticker symbol's TLL. Smash that like before I smash that face. I need 100 likes. Why? Because I'm a savage. Max 1 day. Let's go to the max weekly, actually. Okay, we here. We in it. Okay. Ooh, is this forming a cup and handle? Not really. It's more of like a box and handle. It's a mug. It's a fucking mug, dude. Check this shit out, alright? We got your beer in there, okay? The handle's actually up here, matter of fact, okay? And that's me slamming it. That's not even the handle. Good lord. Let me get that shit in there. Boom. Alright. So it looks more like a mug and handle. And, you know, either way, it's a falling knife, which is good, because there's really nowhere but up from there. If we go... Let's see if we can draw on some key levels. And look, it looks like 214 is validating across the big chart right on the money. I like about 5. 530. Let's validate that across. This looks good though. Yeah, looks really good. Okay, so now we're in the 4 hour, guys. I was just drawing in some key support and resistance levels. See if we can see some things. So, yeah, TEL looks good. Kind of what happened with Castor Maritime, but, you know, hopefully it's not as trash. I think it's going to be a point of a squeeze, a significant point. And it's okay if it doesn't break through. I'd like to see it attempt at the very least, try to break that. And let's say it gets rejected hard. Kind of like Castor Maritime, but not as significant because I want to see if it can just keep recovering and finding this slope. But net overall, I think this is an area of confluence that I highlighted here in this circle. You have the culmination of your horizontal support at about 214 and your sloping resistance line. So you're entering a point of a squeeze. If we break through, it's probably going to run pretty nicely. Next significant stop is arguably, it could be, so 258 is probably about a mid. I think a significant point. It could be 282. Or about 298. It just depends on how much momentum it gets. All right, but that's quite a bit. I mean, it's a cheap stock. Go back to the 4 hour. All right, I mean, we're talking, if we break the slope, you know, conservatively, I might get it at like 240. I write it to like 258. Quick 7% scalp, good money. If I break 258, bullish continuation could take me pretty far. And it's cheap either way. So I like that. Good call. I like TEL. Check out PongF. It's a ticker symbol. Guys, let's get to 100 likes. I see 93. That's weak. Come on, smash my face. Ooh, that was a stanger. That's a stanger, brother. What is it? PongF? Guys, ticker symbol PongF is at bat right now. I haven't heard of this. It looks like it is cooked. Okay, past tense. It looks cooked. This thing is done. Yeah, it's probably done. I think we missed the ride. It's a pump and dump. We're late to the party. We're late to the party. I mean, you know, it's still appreciating. That's cool. You gotta be careful with this. You do. I'm not trying to discount it. It's just, it's cooked, man. But it, you know, it has been running, you know, for probably what, 2 or 3 weeks straight? About a month straight, actually. Yeah, it's been running for a month straight, aggressively. So from now, since a month ago, it's up 157%. I'm just saying, technically speaking, it's so risky. I mean, like, and here's the thing with this: if you're gonna trade it, which I think you still could, I don't think it's terrible. I don't want to. I hate to advertise it because I think a lot of people wouldn't do well on it. Sloping support. Okay. Me personally, this thing is so fucking aggressive, man. I'd have to watch it minute by minute, so just normal trading. I might be out when I'm down 10%, but I'm gonna try to go moon gang with it. So I'm willing to lose 10%. I don't know, it's a lot, but I don't know. I think the run-up's there, maybe 8%. It's not bad though. It's not bad. You just gotta be really careful. Me, I don't trade a lot like this. I mean, I trade aggressively. I trade breakouts, but that's only if I can stare at my shit all day too. Check out PongF. OCGN looks like it can be set up for something nice. You said that, and I'm repeating it. OCGN is the ticker symbol at bat, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get to 100 likes. Right at 100. Let's go, baby. You know what that means? For those who are new to the channel, it's go time. Dogs gotta eat. We got the Jack Daniels. We got the Jack Daniels, man. We got the Gentleman Select, man. Alright. Let me see what y'all doing. Get some fame in here. Y'all chill with me for a sec. I'm going goon mode and then I'm going moon mode. Chill with me. Guys, what do you think? Should I get a boom arm for my videos. Is that way it can be like right here. Gosh, that looks so bad live, doesn't it? That way it could be closer to me so that I'm probably a lot more clear, because I feel like I'm kind of far from my mic. I don't know how loud I should speak sometimes. And I think it just looks cool. I don't know. Looks super professional. I'm thinking about it. OCGN. Stop vaping. What? What? All right. Let's get back to the stoush. OCGN's up right now, by the way. Samantha Williams, welcome to the channel. Really quick, I think it's breaking out of this slope that it was forming. Okay, it's breaking out right now. It's attempting to. I want to see OCGN break $8. When it breaks $8, Moon Gang. Next stop is approaching 10. Okay, won't be a straight path, but more likely than not, it's going to run nicely with bullish continuation. Volume is picking up on this bad boy. And OCGN is on my personal list. A moment of silence for his lungs. Goon Gang. Greetings from Oregon. Reed, welcome, man. Drive Shack, what they do? Check out Aurora Cannabis. All of them are double bottoms. Yes, exactly, Preston Jones. What's good, 9 to 5? Jay Rizzle, good to have you, man. Appreciate you. Ashton King, Ayo, Janayamo, 5. CTRM, it didn't look good. I caught up. Flex, some SOS. I told you guys to buy SOS, man. I told you yesterday, not financial advice. I'm very new to this. Fazio, hey, welcome. Fazia Ali Hassan. Hey, feel free to subscribe to the channel, man. And turn on the notification bell. I'll help you out. Just stay tuned in the comments. If you want to join our private Discord, unfortunately, you got to be Patreon. But if you want to join that, you'll get even more support from me. I can teach you things day in and day out. So we'll see, man. We could chart for you for free. We'll do it, man. All right, that's part of the value. I'm 18. Want to get started with stocks. How do you know when to buy and sell? Very difficult. For me, it's just, oh man. It's so to be honest with you, that's an extremely broad question because there's so many ways. Really quick, how do I know when to buy and sell? I look for what's called confluences. So general rule of thumb, some people like to have 3 confluences. That means like you have, imagine a checklist and it says, hey, on this it's doing that, on this it's doing that, on this it's doing that. If all 3 are saying yes, then that is a high probability entry for me. For example, there's one way you can do it is say, hey, okay, one criteria for me, RSI needs to be low, right? If you don't know any of this, it doesn't matter. Just understand what I'm saying. If we're low on the RSI, check. Okay, that's one confluence. If we're getting near a sloping resistance, we're going to break, right? Say right here, check. That's another one. So I have 2 checks right now. And then I say, and volume has been increasing lately, 3. Those are 3 confluences, for example. You can do them technically, you can do them statistically. It just depends on what works for you. Everyone has their own style. So I do multiple confluences at once sometimes. It just depends because I can read this so quick. Like I can tell you, I can read candles. I can read candlesticks very fast, and I've been working on and I've been getting better at reading candlestick like patterns fast too. So I can read candlesticks within themselves fast, and then candlestick patterns, just patterns for them that tell you different stories. So I look at that. I look at horizontals. I look at a bunch of reasons. Like mine's, I think like Like one of them is like if I'm breaking like a significant horizontal level. That's definitely one for me because it's almost 9 times out of 10 it's gonna move in some significant direction or retrace back down to it. Either way, have a checklist of like the top 3 things. Like, hey, green light, boom. Okay, this looks like a good potential buy or sell, and just identify that for everything. And then yeah, Moon Gang. Normally from Buffalo, New York. And Reed, yeah, greetings from Oregon, man. Holler, brother. Last night coming from Virginia Beach. Damn, you're traveling everywhere, dude. You getting ready for the moon, though, is what it sounds like. Anytime Born Center. What do you think about CBAT Ashton King? What do you think about it? Ticker symbol CBAT is at deck, guys. CBAT. Smash that like. Guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. I do this twice a week. Guess what, guys? I got you covered every Sunday. I've not missed a single Sunday in, 8 months now? 9 months? You can fact check me on that if you want to. I do not miss Sunday uploads. Even if I'm on vacation, even if I'm blacked out drunk, we're not going to miss the uploads, okay? Sometimes you just gotta get it. Make it happen, baby. CBAT. Looks like it has continuous breakouts of slopes. So that's nice, man. Look at this. They're falling wedges even. Yeah, CBAT looks dope. Right? This is very high level, but you're getting the gist. You're getting the gist, right? Every single fucking time. Slope, break, slope, break, slope, break, slope, break, and every time it breaks, we're running. We're running good. Shit, man. CBAT looks good. That's what I think of CBAT. It's on my list. Good job. I like CBAT. It looks like it's easy as fuck to swing trade. Easy play. It's been doing this its whole life. Like, look at even back here. Look at this shit. Sometimes it takes a while though. You can see this one didn't really pan out that well. But 9 times out of 10? Shit, man. And it's been doing it for 6 months straight. So looks pretty good. And look, it just broke out of another one. And look, it's probably forming another one. It's fucking crazy. I like that stock. Tesla all the way, baby. Sell NEO, buy back at bottom. Looks like it's going to fall to 35. What to do with NEO? I'm holding for life, man. I'm holding NEO for probably at least 3 more years. I'm not worried. The lowest NEO is going to hit. I'm not too worried about it, man. Maybe $34, right? It did break that support that wasn't even really there in the first place. I just drew it in because I wanted to see if it'd validate. And it really, it's just sitting kind of sideways right now. Right? It's not a bad thing. It's not a terrible thing. Again, you gotta understand, it's pretty much riding the NASDAQ. When the NASDAQ is in move mode again, NEO's in move mode again. We're gonna be okay. Gotta be patient. Buy the dip, buy it cheap while you can. It's been on a Black Friday sale for weeks. And yeah, when we're talking 2 years from now, this thing's sitting at like $280 a share, and everyone's freaking out. They're like, "Fuck, man, I have it too high. It's at $50. You ain't gonna be saying that in a few years, man. I promise." Yo, hello, friends. I recommend this excellent bot for those who still do not have manual. Okay, yep. We're not gonna. Master, I don't know if you're legit, but guys, don't be careful with any advertisement or nothing, and I will never ask for anything from you guys besides that fucking like button getting smashed. But yeah, this is probably spam. Master Trading, you're probably cool, man, but I won't report you. I just gotta remove this. All right, can't be doing that shit. How about NEO? Love it. Hi, I'm new here. Would like if you looked at Tiger. I called out a breakout on Tiger, and one of our patrons made some good money. So, oh my gosh, dude. Ooh, or dudette. This looks like a potential. Oh, fuck. Tiger looks good. It looks really good. I'm geeking. So there's a slope here, and it broke out of it very nicely. And if it sits now on this slope here, this red one, I guess they're both red. But this slope right here, this sloping support, if it forms, if it validates it, Oh my gosh, this ascending triangle looks stupid strong. Stupid strong. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, guys, but that's pretty much my ascending triangle pattern. Here's my horizontal line, and here's my triangle forming, which is the support. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I like Tiger. Bullish. I like BA. BA looks good. UWMC and Peloton. Are you? Hey yo, you mind checking Gilt? I hopped in at 11:14. Yeah, man. Gilt. Looks pretty good. You said 11:14. Let's get you in there. $11.14. Make it pink. Okay, so you're down there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so you're way down here. I think you're sitting okay. Not financial advice. It can keep selling off, but it's not really selling off. It's just consolidating, in my opinion. I think it is sitting in a nice slope. Okay, and I love these slopes, baby. Slopes, man. You eat off slopes. Shit's candy. So I think you're sitting in a slope right now. I'd like to see us break above this slope at some point in time, and I think you're gonna sit really good, especially if you get back into like near $12, like $11.50. You could run pretty damn nice. I want to see if it can hold this next floor. It really needs to start holding a floor here. Okay, and it is. That's good. It's holding 979. So if it keeps selling off, that's fine. I think 979 is a good little stop, and it needs to stop there. If it breaks 979, then we're just going to keep holding this for a long time, and we need to just keep waiting because it's still going to be riding the slope. So yeah, that is what I think of Gilt. Hopefully that was helpful, man. Guys, ticker symbol GILT is what we just looked at. Snap. Need to chat after the stream about your Discord. Cool, man. AFP, just text me, man. AAPL about to pop up, about to go up. Cool. Thoughts on demo day for Palantir? Yeah, I've been talking about Apple, by the way, guys. It's going to pop up. And then I'm going to look at Palantir next. Apple is at bat. Yeah, guys, I talked about Apple on the big chart. You got to watch the top stock videos, guys. I'm telling you, man. Just looking out for you. I talked about Apple being in this big-ass pennant, dude. And do that. And look, we broke out of it on the money. Right where it's squeezed. Okay? Apple looks so fucking bullish. Like, it was insane. If we go to the 4 hour, yeah. That's confirmation right there, boy. That shit smash out of that shit hard. Okay. Apple's running. Apple's running, baby. Promised land. There she goes. Just blowing in the wind. Apple's running. It's back. Apple's back, baby. I like it. Very bullish. Oh yeah, Palantir. Sorry. Smash that like button, man. Thoughts on demo day for Palantir? How did it go? I haven't been caught up on the DD, to be honest. So I hope it went well. It's like Palantir's just kind of chilling right now. Hopefully forming a pennant. More interim here. If you can even see anything anymore. So. Looks like it's coming out of a slope. That's good. So that's a little more positive. Key support I have. 282. 2082, my bad. 2271 more interim. And 2455. We are sitting pretty sideways in there. Right, so next jump that we have up will probably equally be about the same. More likely than not. Right. Okay, well I tried to copy and paste that. That wasn't slick, but you know, somewhere in this region. All right, so it looks like it's gonna just move up in about 6% increments or more. So let's see what happens. But no, I don't know about that. The demo day. Where's my moderators? This dude's just dotting up in here, man. Stop vaping. You got me swearing, doing soda, doing stocks, and missing out on you ain't nothing but trouble, but ain't gonna turn this channel off. Chocolate, I made you into a savage. Good night. That's okay, man. We all savages out here, baby. Nanox. I'll give you a light, bro. Man from the moon. That's your name? That's fucking awesome. Thanks, man. Ricky Garza, Nanox. Nanox is cooking, I believe. Let's take a look. Like I said, it's cooking. Oh, no. I think I already missed. Okay. Okay. That's okay. Hold on. Let me clean this up. So we broke out of that slope like a fucking tank. Right? 50% run. That's why I look for the slopes, guys. Right now, it's kind of forming another one. Okay? So it doesn't mean it's done. It doesn't mean it's done. You can draw slopes at every level. Let's go to 1 hour. Right? You draw that in a little bit better. Volume is increasing like crazy still. This thing just got done with a big run. There's a chance it could run again. Let's see if we can break this more interim slope. I think it runs in a hurry. Approaching 54.87. Then we'll go from there. Let's see if we can keep moon ganging. Moon gang. I bought Very at 9.7. Hold on. Let me see how everyone's doing down here. Master's a bot. Oh, is he? Okay, yeah. Okay, ban him, please. How do I start? Maddie Peel. Dina Mendez. We got the ladies in here. Ladies first. Always ladies. You know I got you, ladies. Always. How do you start what? How do you start what? How do you start? Okay, Dina, I'll get you. CSCW. Ladies and super chats first. That's how we do it on the stream, man. Oh yeah, this looks good. Let's go to the max. It's, max weekly. So I'm on the weekly chart. Oh yeah. It's breaking out. Oh no, I deleted it. Just kidding. There it is. Oh my gosh, this slope is insane. Alright, broke out damn hard. Let's see what we can do next. I think we're interim on the 4 hours, definitely forming another one. You can see every time it forms one, I mean, it runs pretty nice. Alright, formed one here. And then what happened right when it broke it? Alright, 50% run again. I think it's forming another one. It's just, the thing I don't like is how it ended today. How it drooped down so low to 1.3. But it doesn't have to be perfect. I really want to see it bounce off 1.3. If it bounces off 1.3 tomorrow, I think it'll approach that resistance in a hurry. And then again, when we get near this bad boy here, it's probably gonna run pretty damn hard as it has historically. Okay. I mean, look at this one. Sometimes they just gotta cook. But when it's done cooking, when the popcorn, when that microwave beeps, alright? When that microwave beeps, man. Boom, 134%. This fucking thing's a tank. It does it all the time. Look at this, cup and handle. Alright? Very fundamentally sound. And if not, fuck the cup and handle. I got another slope. Boom, moon. Another slope. Boom, moon. So, looks pretty good. I like it. Pretty much every time it changes direction significantly, it happens significantly. Thoughts on Ethereum? Ethereum. It's Ethereum, right? I like Ethereum. I had a bunch of it at one point, and then I sold it. I don't even want to talk about crypto right now. I didn't lose, but I missed thousands. Oh my gosh, I can't even think about it. So much money. so much. My goodness, it's okay. I don't dwell on it. I don't play the woulda, coulda, shoulda game. You just wear yourself out. Invest in what you like. Buy dips. Oh yeah, Maddie. So, how do you start trading? You follow your boy 9to5 Trader, Maddie, and just keep posting on my community posts and stuff like that, offering suggestions. Hit me up in the comment section too, and we'll figure it out. Trading. So I'm gonna eventually start getting back to like basics, like trading basic videos. I've just been doing a lot of like just quick top stock videos and stuff because I want to make you guys some money that are already kind of at least a rookie in the game. You don't have to be that experienced because the experience is going to come from execution. But if you're a rookie, you can at least get as far as probably some minor technical analysis. Either way, how do you start? How did I start personally too? If you guys want to know, I just I don't know. I just grinded. I asked a lot. I asked a lot of questions to people already doing it. I watched a lot of YouTube. I read a lot of books. I did a lot of shit. Like, I don't know. That's how I know so much about it. I would just read a lot. I read a lot of articles. I practice. I don't just learn something and try. Like, you're not going to retain it. You got to practice. So I applied everything that I've learned. And the YouTube channel helps a lot too because I get better as I teach. I think me personally, I learn the best by teaching, plus writing things down. So Elizabeth, yes, Elizabeth, what's happening? Ladies first. Hey, I'm new to your channel. Subscribe, like the video. Let's go. Appreciate you, Elizabeth. That's awesome. Yeah, everyone who's new, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to eat. Every stock you look at is about to break out. I think NASDAQ is going to break tomorrow to bull side hard. Yeah, Arnold, I know. A lot of these are good picks, man. You got to think, though, there is a method to the madness. So a lot of stocks from a high level have been forming sloping resistances. I'm getting pretty excited because it's telling me that from a broad perspective, if the whole market is about to significantly change over in its price direction, which is breaking a sloping resistance, that's good. Okay, and that's why I've been seeing it a lot because a lot of stocks had this aggressive sell-off from the market pullback everyone was sweating over the last couple of weeks. Oh my God, just another recession? Whatever. And then we started to see those slopes form. So almost every stock is looking like long-term. Every stock is looking decently bullish. Okay, so it's not uncommon. I've been seeing it with a lot of stocks lately. I'm pretty excited. I think the stock market overall is cooking. Not all stocks will make it through that slope, but probably a handful of them will, a decent amount. So we'll see. We'll see, and that's why I use risk mitigation. What software is this? Chris Hooked on YouTube. Stay hooked on my channel, baby. This is Thinkorswim offered by TD Ameritrade. Check the link. I don't have a link. Check my uploads. I have a video to get you set up, and it's the whole 9 yards. I literally walk you through how to set up, how to create an account on TD Ameritrade, how to download the damn software, and then I show you how to get set up with the software. Like, I show you how to set up all these indicators and shit. I show you how to use the watch list. I show you all that good shit. It's literally like an 11-minute video. Get you everything you need. It's an older video, okay, so the quality is probably not the same, but it doesn't matter. The value is the same. The content's what you need. So go check it out on my channel. LNTC, hello, bro. Can you look at Melly? I'm gonna look at LTNC because John Mack looks fired up. Labor Smart. Looks like it's forming a bull pennant. Just from a quick glance, I haven't really looked at it yet. So this is the 4-hour chart for LTNC. It's having higher lows, kind of lower highs. I don't know. Let me see if it looks better on the 1 hour. Could just be a descending, or it could be an ascending triangle too. That is a very possibility. That's a very good possibility. So either ascending triangle or right? And your ascending triangle's right here, right? So, I mean, it might take a while, or it could happen pretty quick, right? Your ascending triangle might be here. Either way, it's looking kind of bullish because it went on this huge run and it just kind of sustained nicely, and it's still experiencing higher lows. That is significant. So it looks like it's running pretty nice. LTNC. This is not for the faint of heart, guys. This thing is a micro cap. So this is aggressive as shit. You gotta be very careful with this. I would look for a bounce off that point, off that sloping support, see if we can form a another higher low, and then I'd look for a divergence as well by cross-referencing your RSI indicator or whatever you like to use, and see if we're still following suit, because looks like there's some hidden bullish divergence actually. Let's take a look here. So we have lower lows up here, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, there might be one on the bigger. I gotta look at it. I don't know. I'm not adapted to divergence yet entirely. I don't eye it as well as I can as other things. But if there's divergence, more power to you. Divergence is very significant. Yeah. Okay, man. What's up, brother? Texan. I'm gonna look at Melly Juan. Why? Cause Juan, I know you smashed that like button. I trust you. I trust you. This vape tastes like shit. Texan, it tastes like chocolate. It's called Lush Ice. It tastes like fucking chocolate. How the fuck does that even make sense? How's chocolate lush? Don't vape, guys, unless you're legal. Or just don't vape even if you are legal. Not good for you. Yer. Yay. Are you saying yer, or is that a ticker symbol, man? Because Justin, I'm fired up. I'm hearing yer in my mind. Yer. Yee. Ticker symbol YERR. Is that bad? Let's take a look. We're not taking a look because there's nothing there. IDEX, Ideonomics, man. Let's look at Ideonomics, boy. If there's any ladies chatting right now, man, they get first dibs. Any ladies or super chats? Nope, no more? Okay. Cool. I guess I would only know by the picture. So sorry, ladies, I don't have a profile picture. Alright, so Max Daily. Ideonomics is cool, man. Let me make sure I get this right. I'm pretty sure they are yeah, so I have a video on this company too if you guys want to do diligence. This company is they're getting into the EV tractor market, which is they're trying to impact the agriculture market, which is a huge market. I think it's roughly around $8 billion of market share, and it's completely wide open. Agriculture is fairly expensive from an asset standpoint, aside from the land and shit. But think about all the machinery they have and stuff. I mean, it's heavily equipped with hydraulic, high powered systems, especially some of the compactors now, or the combines. Those things are fucking crazy. You guys should look at a combine sometime. I know farming doesn't sound that interesting, okay, but it's impressive. And things are fucking huge. They'll run like $500,000. Look up a John Deere combine. That thing is so advanced. There's sensors in like the fucking sprayers and shit. It uses GPS and it just drives on its own. It like maps your fucking plot of land. It like it's fucking crazy. It's cool. I'm geeking over agriculture right now. But either way, I think Ideonomics has phenomenal potential because of that significant amount of market share that they could grab. I think it's sitting at a nice sloping support. Right, just like the rest of the market and all the stocks we've been talking about, guys, right? We're seeing these slopes. Right, this one isn't as aggressive. And it is, I mean, it breaks out of it at different points, but the bigger the slope and the greater the touch is at it, the more significant of a break, and that's why I backed it up that far. What the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna come across. Let's go to the max weekly real quick. Let's see if we can validate some things or see other things. So I'm gonna try to draw in some key horizontal support and resistance levels. And it's a little tricky. There's a lot of wicks on here. Might have to go to the max daily for this. Very useful live. Yeah, man, thank you. I'm glad. I know some of you are extremely new, and just stick with me. Smash that subscribe button, and that way you can keep connected with me. And then just hit me up. And if you want to join our private Discord channel, you do have to become a patron, and that is also available to you guys. Check the link above in the description. We give out trade signals, breakouts, and I can do coaching. I can do charting whenever. And yeah, you get access to my own watch list. We do private live streams. We get after it, baby. We're gonna be rich. Rich gang, moon gang. If not, we're just gonna be a cult of goons that make good money, and we just drink and vape a lot because that's just what we do. We're on the moon. We can do whatever we want. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, baby. Get money. Moon gang. Fuck. So here is what I'm seeing. I think we're breaking out of this slope. The sloping resistance that we've been sustaining for so it's about a month and a half. About a month and a half worth of a slope here. I know there's a lot of fucking lines. It's this one right here, okay? Hopefully you can see it highlighted right here. We broke out of that. All right, let me just remove that. So we broke out of that slope, and now we're sitting on a sloping support. Looks pretty good. Potential ascending triangle pattern is forming. It's looking very bullish. Right? If we can keep sustaining the sloping support, look at all these touches that are culminating to validate our sloping or our ascending triangle. And then yeah, we'll break through 348. 348 is my next target. If we break 348, I think we start running pretty nicely. Let's just go across here to see if there's anything else coming. So, oh my gosh, 348. Yeah, 348 is nice. There's really not a whole lot left on the way up. I'd say potentially, yeah, if we break 348, we were looking at probably 38. Either way, it's very premature to be talking about that. I think net overall right now, it's looking more bullish than not. You just have to be patient with it. Bio-nanogenomics, don't worry, I already know UTS a long-term stock. You think it's a long-term stock. Yeah. Thank you for all you do. Thank you, Tex, and thank you for supporting. Smash that like, baby. Bio-nanogenomics. I like bingo. I like it. Let's go. Yes, I'm a big advocate for this company. I think they're going to be fine. I'm not even invested in them anymore, but I was for a while. Bio-nanogenomics. It's good. It's bullish for quite a bit of time. And I think it will come back. I don't know how soon. The same shit, different day with these slopes, guys. Again, we're going to see this across the market. It's not because, like, I think I see slopes all the time. I'm not some, like, crackhead, okay? There's a lot of slopes because there's a lot of the market that was selling off, and they've been trying to keep recovering, and that's why they're riding that slope down, right? The stock just kept trying to recover, and the slope said, nope, fuck out of here, you're coming down with me. All right, so that's pretty much what's going on, and that's been across the market, especially for tech or growth stocks, which has been a lot of what we've been looking at anyways. So it just makes sense. This thing's on the NASDAQ, right? Slope. That's it. Here we go. Slope. Okay. And it looks good. I think we're going to enter a point of potential squeeze at some point down here. Next stop I have, we break this sloping resistance. We got 9. I got 795. About 927. Not a crazy lot of movement. Not a crazy lot of movement. Crazy amount of movement, but either way, I mean, we're talking good. 25% chunker. I'd like to break $8. I think $8 is kind of a confluence, right? By the time we likely get there, we'll be crossing over the slope here. So we get to $8. Moon gang. I'm probably out. Get a quick 10% shave out of here. Quick 10% scalp of this run that it could potentially have between $8 up to $9.25. I like it. Yeah, boy, SOS to the moon. It's still there in Mara Riot and SOS. Yeah, these are the Bitcoin-esque stocks. They're positively correlated to Bitcoin. And I think they're all Bitcoin mining companies. I've been talking about Riot since like, fuck, I don't even remember. I think $30. I don't know what it's at now. It's probably Moon Gang right now. 48. Because I remember when I was talking about this a lot, it was in the 70s. I never saw it get this high. Looks like there's a big ass fucking bull pennant forming too on the big chart. Thing looks aggressive right now. Losing money is the best teacher. Yes, it's school hard knocks. Yeah, definitely. Current thoughts on Vuzi? I swear somebody asks about Vuzi every day, and I don't know shit about this company. Yeah, Vuzi looks really good. It reminds me of Mara a lot. It's doing the same thing. Very aggressive, sloping support. It keeps attempting to break through. It's forming a big ass ascending. What do you call it? Ascending triangle. Can't think. Sorry guys, I'm really tired. It's forming a big ascending triangle too. At the very least, it looks bullish more than not. It looks really, really good. Vuzi looks phenomenal. All right, let's look at was it Mara? Yeah, let's look at Mara. I'll show you why they look exactly the same, technically speaking. See, like almost exactly the same, right? Had a little more of a push and a little more solid of a ascending triangle pattern though. It actually looked more bullish than Mara, honestly. Proportionally to volume though. Well, the last one we looked at was oh my gosh, Vuzi. So Vuzi, yeah. So Mara's like Vuzi on steroids, pretty much. But honestly, Vuzi, technically speaking, looks a lot more technically sound. Looks very bullish. Thoughts on Skills? I like Skills long term. Any growth stock I'm a fan of, especially if it's in the online gambling space. I'm not even invested in that space, but I definitely believe in it. I will get invested in it more when I start diversifying my portfolio a little bit more. But right now I've been chilling on my investments. I've been trading more as much as I can. It's fucking difficult because my job's been picking up. But either way, once I shave some profits and stuff and I start spreading out my money more, I will definitely try to hop into more growth opportunities such as that sector. So I do like the online gambling space. I like Skills. Ticker symbol SKLZ is the topic. Buy SOS, not financial advice. SOS looks like it looks like it's gonna explode technically, and it looks like it's gonna explode. I wouldn't even call it fundamentally, but just from news and these fucking crackhead Wall Street Reddit bet shit, because they're gonna try to short squeeze it. But even technically speaking, I think even fundamentally speaking, because I know a little bit about this company and they're doing some good shit. This thing looks like it's gonna fucking explode. Okay, it does. When it breaks $8, it's gonna try to double. I mean, it's crazy. That's just from a technical standpoint. So imagine a short squeeze, man. They're gonna try to moon mode this shit possibly, but I'm not gonna promote it because anything can happen. Okay. I don't want y'all getting mad at 9to5 Trader because you said it was gonna blow up, man. It doesn't matter. Even if I'm wrong, why aren't you out by now? Why'd you let this fall down so far? Get out. Shave. Mitigate risk. Minimize risk. Thanks, you're awesome. Thank you, VONoob68, always. I appreciate that, VONoob. Welcome back to the channel. AB, what's poppin'? That's battery juice you're vaping. That's why. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it is battery juice, isn't it? I didn't even think about that. I don't know if it's the juice of the battery, though. I think it's battery-powered juice. No, battery supplemented juice. I don't know. It's not like there's lithium in the fucking liquid. It's just propylene. It's either what do you call it? Propylene glycol or vegetable glycol. I can't remember. I don't remember what it's fucking called. IDEX, Leaf, GME. Yikes. Check out ACB. We are degenerates. Bank Nifty. FTFT, please. I did FTFT, man. Where'd you go? What? I thought I did it just for you, too. You goofy. You goofy, man. I swear I did FTFT. I did. Alright, I'll do this one quick, because I skipped a lot of them. big ass degenerate cup and handle. Maybe, not really. Let's go to the 1 day, 4 hour. Okay, slope, did try to break, and when it did, it got rejected hard at 759, and then it re-entered back into the slope. You need to break the slope. Volume, it's still holding pretty strong. Seller volume is kind of stagnant. Buyer volume has been decreasing. RSI looks low, but we're experiencing higher lows, which is good. And bearish momentum is favorable right now. It's been increasing too, so be careful. I love ACB. It's definitely long term. Aurora Cannabis. So I'm not into weed stocks. I don't know. I don't play with them. It's just not my thing. Even though I vape, but I don't. It's nothing against weed or nothing. I'm glad it helps people. I'm just not going to promote it or invest in it. I think long term, you know, it probably makes sense, right? Because you have the MORE Act coming, okay, and that's already passed through the House, so it just has to get through the Senate. And it's going to get passed at some point in time. I'm not doubting that, absolutely not. And when it does, these stocks are going to explode, man. More than likely than not, especially ACB. ACB is kind of the benchmark of the cannabis industry, besides the ETFs that they have. So ACB is like the Bitcoin of cannabis companies, I guess. That's kind of how I like to look at it. So yeah, they're gonna explode, man. Absolutely, I think so. But yeah, can you talk a little bit about your course? Yeah, I'm gonna make a course. My plan is to release it this spring, and I'm still mapping out. So I have a vision. I think I'm gonna do it in multiple tiers, and you can unlock each tier as you want. But I think I'm gonna do it'd be like 3 different tiers. It'd be like a beginner, intermediate, and like expert. And the beginner is literally just gonna be like so down to we're just gonna grind into the basics. Like I don't know shit, and then when you walk out of the course, you're gonna know shit, and you'll be able to trade. Intermediate's like I've been trading, but I ain't that good, but I still kind of get it. I just can't really execute. And then intermediate's like that, and then expert's a little bit like that, and expert's just like way beyond. But beginner is in scope right now. Those other 2 are out of scope. I want to get a course out there that's very just lays down the fundamentals. We lay the smack down, right? How do I find slopes? How do I draw them? How do I do technical analysis? How do I read these charts? How do I read candlesticks? What are candlesticks? What are stocks? What are all that shit, right? It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be good. So I'll let you guys know when that is released. I have been working on it, but we'll see. But yes, it's coming regardless, and I will keep you guys up to date. That's what I was thinking, Focus. What do you think about Canoe? Thoughts on pins? What's Canoe's ticker symbol? DMTK is pretty cool. All right, guys, I gotta go to bed soon. Like, really quick. Thanks. FTFT, please. Neo. Smash that like. S&P. Thoughts on Geo. Fubo. We gotta do ladies first. But I need to do Canoe. What is Canoe's ticker symbol, guys? I did FTFT, brother. Fubo. Oh, it's GOEV. That's what it is. All right. Oh, cool. Okay. I've been hearing a lot about Canoe. Looks like it's breaking out, or it's about to. It broke a slope. Pretty significant one. Let's see what's coming next. Oh yeah, 1195 is real, and it's forming a sloping support here. Looks good, man. I think if it breaks 1051, get a quick run up to 12. It's a nice little 10% gainer. All right, and then from there, we just have to keep watching it close, because there is even a chance on the big chart it's forming a big ass slope. So we might get stopped you know, generally around $13 maybe, but I think on its way to $13, it's more imminent than not. But just always be wary of that slope. It might reject off that pretty significantly, as it has for a while. Cano, ladies, Dina, Mendez, Fubo. I'm gonna do Fubo. I've talked about Fubo a couple times. I think they're really good long term. Gorgeous slope. Gorgeous. Oh man, it is supporting hard at $20 and about 60 cents. So that's really good, Dina. Really, really good. Okay, it's been doing it for like 2 weeks, so it's not fucking leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. Okay, so Thinkorswim's dumb. Either way, looks really good. This looks phenomenal. I think it's cooking up some good stuff right now. I think what it needs to do, same thing. Let's break the slope. So I'll try to enter maybe at 24, get out by 26, shave a quick little 7%. That's a lot of money, guys. 7% is a lot. If you break 26, let's see if you have a nice little run, possibly. And it depends on how volume's looking, but volume's been picking up. Volume's been picking up. But if we break $26, there it is. $29.29 just about. Let's say $29 conservatively. It's probably your next major stop. So let's see what happens with Fubo. Again, volume's been picking up nicely out of nowhere. Seller volume's going down, buyer volume's going up. RSI, we're seeing lower highs. Looks really good. However, bullish momentum is losing steam, so momentum's kind of at a standstill right now. And that makes sense. We've just been consolidating to death. We're just floating around. It's been slowly moving, right? I'm guessing you've been watching this between like 2050 and like 23, which is still a significant amount of percent. But big chart wise, it's really not a whole lot. But it's getting ready to move pretty nicely. It just needs to confirm that breakout for us. And if it breaks below 2061, we're gonna have to be really patient with it again. Because it did, it has at some points in time tried to break this slope clearly, and it hasn't. So we gotta be careful of that. Okay. Cuckoo. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Before you sleep, hit us with those futures. Have a good night. All right, I will do. You're driving to Iowa? Sweet. I'm flying to Iowa in 2 weeks for a wedding, week and a half. Yeah. So I'm gonna get so fucked up. Oh, excuse me, guys. Center of the earth. Wait, which? Hold on, Cash Money's just fucking going in, dude. Is sundial done? Center of the earth. Bart, you do this every night. I do it every Wednesday and Sunday. Or at least my goal is the middle of the week and then the dead end of the week, right? So I can get you guys TA right before the market kicks off on Monday. Because, that's the best time to do it. And then on top of that, can't remember what I was going to say. I don't know. Either way, yeah, every Sunday. It'll be good. But the middle of the week's good, too. Oh, what I was going to say is, so say there's a Monday holiday, and then I'll just live stream Monday night because the stock market's going to be back up on Tuesday. So expect that in the middle and end of every week. And Bart, yeah, subscribe to the channel, man. I'd love to have you, man. Rest in peace, Sundial. Haven't talked about us in PA. I'll hit you guys with the futures quick. We'll talk about the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ. You know, everyone in here wants that juicy VIAC gap fill. VIAC. Just say if I should hold or sell Sundial. I can't give you financial advice. Maybe someone in the chat can. VIAC. Oh my gosh, look at this gap fill animal. I'll look at Sundial quick so you feel better, but I can't tell you what to do with your money, man. I'm just doing technical analysis. Alright. Sundial is really slow right now. It's just slow moving. It's forming a slope. It's finding consistent support at 95 cents. If we break 95 cents, I don't know. If I had it, I'd get out. If it breaks 95, especially 95 cents, then I'm out. I'm out of that shit. But either way, long term, there's probably nowhere but up in theory. It just depends. I have to do my due diligence. I don't know anything about this company. I know they're Canadian based and they do, cannabis stuff, make cannabis products. They're looking to come domestic, which they're going to have to. And I don't know anything about their executive board or their future potential or movements. I haven't studied their financials in a while. So it's hard for me to even tell how they're going to do long term. But in theory, they should do better than not because the legality of cannabis will probably be there. So we're going to look at VIAC and check out the futures here. VIAC looks like a gap fill fucking animal, man. Look at this thing. Oh, Lord save us from making too much gains. Look at this shit, man. Okay, we broke that. Looks good, but it hasn't really been doing shit. It's just consolidating. Why is it consolidating? Because it's cooking. That's why it's fucking cooking, baby. This thing look good, boy. This thing look real good, man. I don't think it's gonna gap fill till it breaks. It needs to climb a little bit. I'll go to the 15. I'm looking for this ascending triangle to break. I don't even know if there's one there actually. Alright. Potentially an ascending triangle in this vicinity. Let's see. But we need to break like 48 bucks before we start moving in a hurry. We need some bullish continuation. But volume's been picking up a lot, so things are definitely in our favor. Cool. Yeah, thanks for subbing, Bart. Glad to have you. Is Sundial done for real? I don't know. I don't know if it's done. I don't know, guys. I don't know shit about this company. I just do technical analysis. Is it done for real? I don't know. It goes on short runs all the time. I don't know what done means, though. What does done mean to you guys? Is it ever going? You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what that means. No offense. I just don't. I don't know what that means. If it's done. If it's done what? Being a company? It's not bankrupt. So I don't know. Alright, guys. Let's talk about the futures real quick. CTRM doesn't look good, okay? Technically. I saw you asking about CTRM again. It needed to break. And it needed to break either above or below, and it squeezed in this circle and it went below. So it broke pattern significantly. Talk about the NASDAQ. I didn't get caught up on the markets today because I was so busy at work. So I'm so behind on the markets today. So looks like the NASDAQ's bullish as fuck. I told who's been on this channel the last month, the last 2 months. Who's been on this channel? Okay, raise it loud and proud. Because when we were down here, I told you guys, not financial advising wise, to fucking buy the dip. I told you, the market's forever. The market's forever. The market's forever. Hold on, are you convinced yet? Let me go to the max. Oh man, I wonder where the NASDAQ's going. It's gonna sell off forever. Oh, my stocks are crazy. No, fuck out of here. It's a dip, man. It's part of the game. What you talking about? We had a global pandemic right here, and this shit still kept going up. What do you mean? Nothing's gonna shut this shit down. It's fucking America, baby. NASDAQ is so bullish right now. I love it. I called it, and we're gonna eat. So I got a lot of discounted stocks, man. I fucking ate this shit up. So I think 13,720, pretty significant point. Dow Jones. Okay, it's gonna take a while to break that all-time high though of 13,900. But I smell the 14,000 club, baby. Took it to Dow Jones. Dow Jones has just been moon gang the whole fucking time. I told you guys, the market's forever, man. You'll be freaking out next time there's a market dip. But, I got that from experience. I've been doing this a long time. That's why I was so confident about it. I'm like, yeah, because it's just a snowball effect. Think about it. Every reaction is an overreaction. It's just a snowball effect. And people are like, oh shit, the market, oh my gosh, it's down 10% right now. Fuck, I better sell everything I own. Yeah, okay, buddy. I'm gonna buy everything you're selling then. Looks pretty bullish, man. Dow's fine. It's a little extended. It's pretty damn extended, actually. I think it's gonna correct. I don't know how soon, and every time it does correct, it doesn't really pull back that hard. I think conservatively, when it tries to correct, it's probably gonna try to come down to like, I don't know, around 33,000. I don't know. I'm just completely spitballing. I'm gonna have technicals here. The Dow's very extended right now, so I'd expect some red days possibly in a row. But I don't know. The world's reopening, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna have a roaring 20s, guys. We're gonna have a roaring 20s. There's gonna be so much There's so much pent up demand in this fucking world. Oh my gosh, man. Get ready for inflation too, though. And then SPY, S&P 500. That's fine. It's in the 4,000 club now. Let's go. This thing's just been moon fucking game the whole time too. So be wary when stocks are this aggressive. I think the Dow. I think all three of them could have a series of red days soon, just from a technical standpoint. Long term, theoretically, especially in the next few months. Oh my gosh. Neo to the moon. All your stocks to the moon, man. Neo to the moon. All your stocks to the moon, man. Market's bullish. It's going to be bullish as fuck. So I'm pretty excited. I feel like we're finally coming out of this volatility. There's probably a little bit left, a little bit of residual, as you would expect, right? There's been a lot of political movements, baking, right? A lot of infrastructure bill, a lot of big bills and shit. We're finally going to get back to business in the world. You got to understand, right? I think we're going to see possibly a lot more volatility with some growth stocks because, again, politics is ready to refocus on bills and all these things that they talked about that they would promise that they probably won't do anyways, kind of thing. So they're going to get back and shift their focus away from COVID. Not entirely, but significantly. So now they can shut the fuck up about COVID and they can start focusing on shit that like they planned on doing and they wasted a quarter of the term trying to fix COVID. So hopefully we get to like big bills and things that are going to help the people and help this economy. So I'm pretty excited. We'll see. I think either way, all that pent up demand and saved up money people had, and then hopefully the people that were struggling are hopefully getting out of the rut, because I definitely feel for you. Very humbling to see people struggle because of a virus out of their control is ridiculous. I'd be fucking pissed, especially for new business owners. But either way, I'm excited for the world to come back. I think it's here, and there's not going to be another fucking outbreak, okay? If there is, they're going to suppress it to death, okay? The media ain't going to blow it up. We're not going to hide that shit because the world cannot afford another global pandemic. It's too expensive. I think we learned a lot from this one. Cool, guys. All right. Well, hey, it was good having you. I wish I could cover all your stocks. But, guys, I do this twice every week, 2 live streams every week, one in the middle of the week and one at the end of the week. So all I ask for this video is that you smash that like button, guys. Check out all the stocks above my head here that we covered tonight. Rewatch the video. It'll be posted right after I'm done here, and you guys can scroll through and find your favorite stock. Smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel as well. I'd love to have you on the channel. We're almost at 11,000 subs. It's been a slower month for me growing on this channel, but we're just trying out some new things. I'm going to keep getting after it, baby. We're getting to 100K, okay? We're getting fucking after it. I'm not done. I love what I do, and I love this YouTube channel, and I love the community even more, guys. So I'd love to have you be a part of it, especially now, right before we get up there. Jump in now, right? Don't miss the party. Come to the pre-game, baby. Let's go, baby. So hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you don't miss uploads. And if you want to join our Discord channel, over 1,000 members, our private Discord, trade signals, breakouts, watch lists, coaching, advice, news, hanging out, private live streams. Check out the Patreon link at the top of this chat, guys. It was great having you tonight, guys. Hopefully we kill it the rest of this week. We got 2 more days, okay? And again, let's just keep getting after it. Again, execution's everything. This is a watch list for a reason. You're watching them. Don't wait for something to happen. Or if something, don't hope that something will happen. You gotta play this game like a robot. It either happens or it doesn't. If it doesn't happen, right, all this predicting that we did, it doesn't happen and misses its breakout, you're done with it. For breaks pattern, you're done with it. Check out the next stock, right? You have so much ammo, right? You have 30 stocks. Hey, if 90% of them fail, whatever it is, 80% of them fail, at least 5 or 6 of those, if they give you that nice 50% gain, it'll be all worth the more. So anyways, guys, it's great having you tonight. Good luck to you the rest of this week. Stay tuned for more videos the rest of this week, and happy trading, guys. I will see you live this Sunday. Let's go.